Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Umuroberio ukubwatia tubwatike tango yekegori asego nabukurigererwa n'ibigori byonse.
Bokire karibu sana sio kunyara gusangana incha sumorobere bwenyoni emambi ya lero kostwanyarire kubuka happy new month omwancho muligererio KCTV aso kunyara kubuka emambi ya lero ili kunyara gusangana inche emambi ya lero koseiga KCTV amandegere iyo mogusi Joan Kwamboka na nyarire gwekera nagaiga se studio kerenge kenno kunyara gusangana kwena kimuna onsi kwa bere wo kunyara kwanyora senchira yo bwekera none muno ayo nyarto korekana se weekend yega engima na kikwabokire karibu sana so kunyara gusangana inche 0768719470 nare namba yesimi ye studio of course no nyebwatega karibu aso kunyara kwena kimuna na bere kunyara gokwerera egati yari aberga kunyara gokorekana ime na isko yorogongo rwagusi aerendo mwancho muligererio KCTV na kikwabokire karibu sana so kunyara gusangana inche emambi ya lero. Okay, na mangi sana nkwarigandiretie alitura kunyara kuyaligererio of course watoire gari live Facebook asitogotoka buna KCTV ntobwate Instagram TikTok kama na X account buna KCTV ntobwate website of course asitogotoka buna KCTV nyara gosoa gari eliyo onyare gusangana inche emambi ya lero. What a beautiful morning. I'm so happy aso kunyara kuboka emambi ya lero eliyo nyare gusanga nae utakunyara kongakire simi asa 0768719470 goso nyare gontumira MS message nyare gusanga aso bwamo nyare kumanyangana ki nakikwabokire emambi ya lero ngakiwe yariganetie emambi ya lero merobere kyobegete eri skuli ya lero abana no bale school no bangete bagende school abali bakupetia batebete no way kupet power kupet power. Yes, that is what they said definitely yesterday nekere banyar to twalege karo astinse muchidia cheka sagani of course ayo naron kwarigandetie emambi ya lero ndikunyara ko ligiri kibunga ki what is going to happen now that abalimu bakupet bakanire sisi shule hatukanyagi onge what. No way. We are not stepping any door near, go say any gate at school. Ayo negatia turach kunyara gukwanera emambi ya lero alafu maiteke mwaka nara ali meru nero toch kunyara guchakira emambi ya lero ngabakoteba ngataikira netike bongo ati etali mugunda sabantu bali babokire kemambi bachire mugondo igasi yao bakora gusinimira bakoya ekera meru tinkomanya gusine bituma barenge kurusi mugondo gusamura barenge asi yabo ya mugondo barenge full stop kibale gali mugondo mungwana gitogocha kuruparari kabwa tomoro ogo kenyakira umuntu mugondo bona abantu bane okenyire banyakinyoro ko igugo nabaro bakemuka bakamuita nabaro bagasira mabererenga etano egakobugo chimotse tukwere ndi nyansaka mata amarani ngabantu mbara bakali gutara ne probox bakakenye to mugakonde baba motari yari nakamura kande akagendera kurwanira ubuzima bwaye nyagitari soko kenda kuchirugura bunyamatuta nara nere bwesungete ngabomanire na mukae uri bwesungire utigiro mwana we mitinyebe gaki nabo mwamwete igo mwamwete mukorete nacio no ni bometi ya ukinyita abana mukae na abana na mwamwete igo baro basogetana ende ndo cyo basikona bwe parari tarakaniri batiete ngao toimukiga ni gari togenda tuchigwakira abaibuli ngambi ya mono gari ngima paka abana oniga baro babere bagendete kurwanira mangima abasinyitari ao iyo weekend nabwate njabwate maya mono ninga maya igate kurwasore mambi ya lero 0768 719 470 ndoche mbaro basoire gari live Facebook abanyare gutuma cyujumbe kigima so kunyara gusangana inche mambi ya lero n'abantaba n'abantaba ngaine nimbanje tekigima yendra kuntumira message of course ninchi kunyara guchisoma mbaro bagutubwate kurasi constituency au just check in constituency kianda che county ya Kisii kuru South Mugirango Chebunchari uche Kitutu chache North Kitutu chache South ogende Nyaribari chache Nyaribari Masabo Swebu Bubasi umachoge chache umachoge bravo bonsi basubira somorobere this morning asante sana nimetenga chingonge chichunsi kunyara toli wikororo abantu mbaro bagotubwate kuru constituency nye Nyamira County abantu baburabu abantu bakitutu Masaba abantu ba North Mugirango na West Mugirango bonsi na inu karibu sana asomoroberio emambia lero of course ndoche simiane yego churaga iga timaiti gusena mayabu atara kunyara konga direct anga kitoko kore simie tingimogeti kebo kerigo kunyara ko connect ya seseme ninti kunyara ko yemo kigo kunyara go chimo kya segeka getari getambe letunyara gusange mambia lero ngaita ekeye monyare kuyarigani this morning aso kunyara gusanga nae thank you so much asabonsi bali banyare gosoa asomoroberio togende bakastinse mecho chia meru abwase omugako yomo anyarite kuimuka na kunyara go Kenya abantu baringe mugondo baringo kolegasi yabo kolega no mosipidi onyare kwene kekyo ni kanyare go kwanira abamenye betinse mecho chia yarenge katile egotoke me ya Igembe North me ya Meru County oyo anyarite gusaba abanyakenya rugotemukiye getambukira sama go kabo mayiga y'abanyakenya abana barabukunyara kwimukirira igoro na kunyara gwitumwa koyiga gwika gusiri bugima bwaye igintu kirira abantu batano kunyara gusiri amagima abo boniga barase kinkendu ao
Tulipata hiyo habari, tulianza kutembea huko tukakonfirm ya kwamba hao watu walikatwa wakiwa kwa makazi yao, alafu wananchi wakaweza kukimbizana na mwenye alifanya hiyo kitendo na wakaweza kumuua. Habari ambaye ningepitisha kwa wananchi ni ya kwamba wasije wakachukua sheria mkononi mwao.
Alright, yonkoro asechinse mochiria chia Igembe North gotoke me Meru County abwase mugakoyo mabuna nateka ko batebya nyarite ko imukie mioro na kunyara go Kenya abantu bali nkimo kondo bako mind business yabo ntwateba nikira umuntu abokeke mambia gende ligeri gen koronda bu omanyangenge ryo kurigine yawo bono nawo bakenyire abarastinkendu au na nyari ko yari gania so kunyara ko imukie chisimi cheino ngakere simi etnyari gusanga emambia lero 0768 lero isiganda aranyara ko igwerio giriye ino ngakera yesimi na ntengunga kimoko kwanda beri ogire ino libe buneri ne mono mambi beri ogire aruro burangeti me nabolinga gaigai gatolko lira buno kagerete igo nyara ko ngakere simi asinambe yure goro gabu 0768 719 470 nyara go sange mambi ya lero ntebingo ngaki ayenkwa bwate ama ba mange buna ayambwate nche weekend yendo chenga yani weekend kali ko yetaka na morembe ekera bono kya abantu bago kenywa abantu bago ita abantu bago esunga abantu bago kora kiango yani ebintu binde biko kore karabaka gwa kuminga no etu atebete gukuru baba atebete ngaya na matuko yo mwerio no inche ndo chinga nabonda chente ya bachikurbane ngaiga na matuku yo mweri kurende karibu sana asoko nyara gusangana inche Edwin Mukaya na nyarite gutwali taro yae mpaka se chinsemo chiria chia Nyansaga yugo toke meya marani gaiga marani abantu mbaronga egotebekana bagutara ne probox banyara go Kenya abantu mwakoyo moniga nyarite go Kenya ikagusire bugima bwae ochikorigereria nkaya ya bagotebanga gaki atabwate mangana nonde amayenda manene ari asenkeyo bono no musayo yo magendete kurwanira ubugima bwaye asinya gitare yemwe mu cyobusongo ase gotebekana nk'ababegwa abayiga nigo babere bakunyara gukora ibikore biga no cyisime cyo Nyansaga na Nyanguru bona baga nitumore mu nyare kube kutanyara gutegera robotire garo wicanye mambi ya rero to kwerera nyare kubuka cyisime cyino
Bikuro amayanda n'amagombo nigagendete kugwata nsase kenyoro kya Nyansaga iyo kegotoka se wodi ya Marani mebunge ketoto cha Chenotha se county ya Kisii
agimogaito mwana mindo agimwamuita gaki
magega y'abantu batamanyiri gusaga n'umusacho yomona kumubutora n'emioro gwika ogukwa kwaye na gutama asobotuko bugukira rero nabwo kumutigira umusawo yomo chinkoma chimbe chemiora sebono agendete kurwanira ubugima bwaye asenya gitari
yarenga marwo bayigange saa 1 saa 2 ga abantu no bachite mwana yiga bakamwaka kimoro bakamuita wiro no nenda babu ategari ntura manya bya police round nega sena koropererezi nekero kwa mnyoke tugocha go twanyorete ba mutu kuterenza yiga bamusibitengo yebigoti bakamubika ni karatasi yo mutwe abamubutolete kombutiritria akwetorenza uwo. After that, then the police they came back to him. Tukamuruhusiana kumnyoke kuchiposongo moja.
Yakialenge saa 2 kya butuko kaigweri yogi. Bongo chikomnyoka goja nganyarango yo minto butulwe bigoti. Na bakabaka mutule bigoti ntobaro ojira kini abalenge ne gali. Akamnyoka wakanyoro umwana undenjera okurukuchoni ya omaliba. Nera bakamwaka amahoro muti nera yari nyagitari busongo ono abandi mbaro baminto bayigete gochororo bakamyokia batete ko bayita lakini bakachingurika bayira
kurengana ni amateyo nigekorera buna abantu abukiranite gekoreke nigo babwate gari eyo bali nete na gutama mahega yo gwikirania egekoreke
iyo yarenge eka ikintu kikunyora number abantu nabaswete gari imyo stili bakarohiye okobukwa Nyanguru wachire kwa Nyanguru bachire imbanda bakaroli kuchira Kisii ebo ntiko mana mbandu kibarenge
nebikoro unebiga byabere bikomenta kasenseme yeyerera abantu benseme yo kumenyera uwobo butinde asobona baborira abo bisabo burendi kubatingeri uburendi ase enseme yo
tugosaba serikali okero butuki etokonya ikimwana mintakora awitugosa
ase kenyoro kinyasaga ase ngenjo ebiso byagende kona okorekana oro tusie kene ngi akorekana seri ya Nyanguru no beka ine kenyoro Nyansaga ono tukumiti tetu oro nainde enjirenga mune yo minta itetu gogono tutagito bolendio bokongu tokonywe sengenjo ono tusinyirenga inki abantu abakora bagoitwa na batabugati mangana
Toko sabana ege chiche ge yetu kya Nyansaga baka Nyanguru yabaire ge gosareka uburendi mboyo toko sabana serikali yeitenyene riye igoro eturende etuma abantu baito etume abantu baya iga abato batu batara botuko ba usemba bwata abantu ikabira bawita abantu basa
Boigo nigo basaba murugi onyagusira uyo tamete kuirana n'abana elyo kweni umwanchoe buna encherere asekemira kyomugusi
aiche acha korona kimwana uminta
nale goteba umurugi oye yusavia kwambuka sule usuwanja kwao ukirimbuke oche waeni ndugu ya mintuntundu kwanjete nende none mumuro minto nawo wanjete ndokwete karibu ndikende ngeyo tokubona na kende ngeyo turumana isavia kwambuka sule tafadhali ukirimbuke gocha uche na abana waeni mumuro
Nguripotira Kisii Television kurwase ensemu ya Nyansaga yugotoka se wodi ya Marani bunge kitutu cha Chenotha me county ya Kisii Eritariane Edwin Mukaya.
gakia mayanda gakio bororo gakio bokongo ai ngakio kore makorora abantu bakorera ngana igwete ne probox guse ne Nissan guse nagaka ugakenya umuntu iga oroche yani emate yaye korera tuburani tutebane kimaene imochokiri go montara akore mwanya bantu iga ntu tuteikiraneti imochokio montara akorore mukio mwara mukenye inginchigiga utigo bururu bungana iga asenga kaki mwanya bantu kaki nechie kabe nkebe kiakorete hena kumachere akonte be good morning watching live from Isebania border wakire bya nyasayo ngancheire narurit kolinde kuganirie staff to kolegasi na customs Kenya na customs Tanzania asubuhi njema pamoja na wanafunzi wote wa Boda Hill Academy asubuhi njema pia tia bidii kwa masomo na siwezi sahau mamu mintobacheba kwamboka Koruchinse muchirichia byombe mwanyabando atware umutinyum ya a new month autebanga new month ngija akingango inwe birengereri byino ubaitenga kiende ntokote yabanyanyimbo nganju mutinyu borendi what are they supposed to do let us suggest totebanie mambi ya lero tukwane inkige gokoreka negere tunyare gokeye bintu bunebiga ngomuntu chiro kenyero muntu tamire and they are scot free ngange birengerero byao 0768-719-470 na igore iribake namba yesimu ye studio emambi ya lero na aye igore ira iswear ntete ngimukiesi ne mambi ya lero onye korote nga go type message na irege kae ngakere simu tosange nae mambi ya lero ebintu bune biga ntoko ganinga bigendere gokoreka ne meagusi kitu abokirekera ke mambi twakwanire nchiro muntu getaitirwe nchiro yani amakweri kere ngaki ntunto twara marembe nto twara bongo ntokomenya n'abaminto n'abanyanyimbo nkimoroche mutete bakoregero bulendi bwira ne meagusi wono no ni kompa buli abanyakenyero boni ganga kibamenyete nsemeye weta ni komenya no bwoba nga kibamenyete no epare you know eta sumeto muntu na kenyete Gilda Boss, I'm going to be watching Koruari, Getare County, ni Senator Msupu. Thank you so much, Senator Msupu. Asomorobire Mambialero. Joshua, Mbuyatirimba, going to be a good morning from Nairobi, Ruben Center. Nikundani, na my wife Dorka Kirbo, na my beloved son Carlton Tirimba. Nere osoira somorobirio Mambialero. Edino Mwenga, akotebanga Koruari, Nyaguku, who present watching live Kwamboka Joan. Asante sana, so kunyara goswa somorobirio this morning. Ena kumachera komboliga. Gaki Joan. Ninki geko gera gusi yaito vituko ni nyingi. Viko koreka. Akomboli kokati. Na inchena libi boli mbwate no kumachere. Akotebinga tiganya sae. Akonye chinkoro cheito. Asante sana. Ruth Nyabuti K. Nimekuona pale. Akotebanga you are watching Korugari Jeddah. Good morning. Yegani chinse mchirichia Saudi Arabia. Wantebia. Uyakor kunge Kopi Junior. Akontebinga in. Asante sana karibu. Harrison Obai. Akontebinga Pastor Harrison Obai. Korua chinse mchirichia Suneka. Riana Bonchari. Nonde imeakisi TV. Asante sana. Sokunyarago soa asomoro video. Jeria Kirbo. Akontebinga Bwakire Bia. Korugari Manama Bahrain Kingdom. All the way to my home Kisi County. Kanyimbali Mwakiage Village. Na Bible Bane Samuel Nongeri na my mom Maria Nongeri agotebamo na bana bae Masidge na Macdotak na Mugakoe Ben na ngona inde na bana ba mwabo Evelyn na Rebecca na Douglas na Julius na Duke na batagera libonsi pamoja na Fred Nyandie Kamusima baswe asomorobire bwenyo ni this beautiful morning legagontebinga gakia mabira manene mono condolences and may the Lord strengthen the family at this difficult moment. Asante sana. Engera yeri tongo jare douru asante sana. Kontabinga kuru igonga epiline bumariba niko present gaki. Mwanya banto nigo mwabeire abanyama. Mwabeire chingiti chioro sana. Nwane ngiti gaiga gusiye sengencho tole mede chingiti nchiro natebanga chingiti chioro sana. Chingiti nchiro gusiye gaiga ase mugasota li tomenyete buya the Greenland ngiti yoko rayatama. teri go koroma igo unless okwayeta chago so kwayete ki guso kwimukyo mutegwache yani na kongusana nyore ngiti yakoroma to chingiti chiri chinse chinyomo chinkamo kuno okonyore ngiti era kominyokie korome lakini iga gusiga igase tomenyete iga no morembe no chingiti tari raisi none nyanga uo gotebi kwayero rirete kunya kominyoka aetenena te korema none sese te korema ego tama lakini wana kwamenya konyoranga ni mtu yani toncho kire mwanya bantu yani ogoito wa ndere bakasangapi oyako ntebiga Regina Gekonge kura mogoni tebia familia yo pole gaki ase ekyukia nyarte kunyora enkeyo. Asante sana Regina, nimeona ujumbe yako, thank you so much. Ase ogotume ujumbe ya umetabonigane chinga kitutakiri kubeke amateyiga sama sabo. Now togende bakase chinse mochiria chiabo basi ewodi ya basi bugetaulio naro agakorekane to musahe narari obwate kibago kiae akogendie biragitari igari bunye matuta musa oyo korokananga baka umana no morugioe kerebo umana morugia karra muchiongo kongabikare akaimokere kagenda sobo ngwana oyo bona achita gesiekera nyomba kerusio bogima ona nere ni gati gitoboro bone na sekinyorekyo abakunya kubura ni amaswali nga kaito guchakera nwena matanga twende bakachinse mechi abanyamatuta tokeme ya basi bugetaulio mebunge yabo basi kaunti ya Kisii.
Ingkuira na kuruoro chiririt sasa bangka akanda takilya kantika tante tukwana na asina tukata nero jiga kana bangka pityanga tengah ya no mwana ruta ako tetiken ya yang ditante tu sante tingangi na makabu tukwan basi ndenge tukora na kale bona muna iri koro mugaso na chitaga cha bakasi ndaka nisi akan disi me kutuara jena ako diye basi simeli mbabe kumoku nanda kanya sawa karusi chira ini nanda akatumiro monte basi ya ngo nanda kangira ndiye simi ngabe kumoku at least kudwa kera jete igaje ta kasama ya kasika kara kerasi keto kulita chiti ko kora bakabo to kabono ni ngalinde to kumene usengenda siba gachuo sora ra gati muge ona kero buat ko na ma naro manu mabo maneno go tira go chapna kera tira go choro nanche na trim buka na go choro go abo gate ko no kabo ne gate manang gate ko tabanga ya mate gento na kora na ronge tiri sanara angeli tinyi gweti ko kwana kende gyos tari ko basi naimo kera gabo mwana uri konyosa yo mabo sabirebe ono kagwa kagakwa mrandora gwa kanubu bobo nabwate beti ri nabachara sayi naigore chabi nate yo makoso aini anda kugora kurube siye kere ora kurube siye njokanya na ko bire beti ri binyomba mwana rogo ono ngwasoka tumirana no mwana ori omako konte binga tatu ri bwengente
Masiri umusayo kuri ore industrious ano umusayo urenge kuerege risane se so wiko kwensi ngobona igento nare gotebia basaya bakene na anda konyo mwago sanire kusema atore ikitabo na mwago nguya kwa kwana mwasange ngwane iyo ligere yaba sorudi mapema leo yani gantenga no kukunyo kwa sana tu asiri umwana wote batakonya ngende onye umuntu gwatu mucyanga tigamwasanga umucyanga ndo yo basoro imbi y'abantu bayikanani andakira baranye umuntu okonyire kerengere bigende mwa tutuire shiti kandi nire ngutenga n'umwana usi otigire familia nkesa aki tiga serikali ike familia yanyu ekonyerie familia rigera kini abana tigana bakese nabona tu umwana muke pero tu kodre mitinye biru to sawa ke serikali komorache kwa kistomanye kini kereki kiare enterraba ko yundo chakuye ko ano montara horengo miasa montara wi grantanya rafkia nisa
no montara bone tu aguta nera sana na gundi segasi yae karona mbuyare na yangu nyakwirigeria yakonya abantu kurwa bono munanje naika nanyore kura tama bitu aboke to andegas ekurate oyo sawa kurwa uke mwendu yana naika mwendu yana nganyake mwana Yesu kurwa muna tuabuta ke basikali bacha na bugo yumo berendu twaburi gukia bukire andoa ime amwire nyamanje yana na
Alright, naba mangana nyari tego kolekana igase chinsemo chiria chia bubasi. Okay, director nkeri ryogi igase studio musayo yibona nabanyari tego sibe bugima bwaigo nigabe kira senkendu yabo basi buna moigure tiganya saya beke nkoro yaye asaga ya yogago ntebinga engera yeri tongo jare douru koruigonga AP line okay bomaliba agotebanga ako present umoroberio gwenyo ne mambi ya rero pole to the family na Nyansaga village abaiga basoime umoroberio mugako uro panga obekirwa somoroberio otebanga nere tatu mwabo alafu obekire ryoba osabina omongina na Stansia Nyanchera nere mama ouru Sara Nancy ryoba nera swasomoroberio ndochegaiga obekire Rose Michiemo mubekire Janet Kerry Irene Kemunto, Andima Douglas, Jeria Kirbo, Omosori Bwege Susu, Sheila Kemunto, Omwana Zilizopendwa, Obekire Atambo, Sekerari Joseph, Peter Nyabiosi Marucha, Arisonovai, Kefa Atuya Kirwanda Best, na all KCTV fans, mashabiki bonsi baswa somorobejere kurbono na sha check otebirenche nonde ready nonde stand niko ngangari niko ndani and the young kwenda director oroboti ndoro gabutrogo toira bakachinse muchi atarakaniti tutara nyara kurigereria sara y'umuriro ase chinse muchi ya atarakaniti nigo abantu 12 banyarite kwenekiwa osiria magima ba abo aburi kuregoro egati yabo abana babere abwasa bande babere bagenderete kurwanirira magima abasinyagitari ao ime yense ya Kenya Yegamaiga ya abamenya bukuru aschinse mucharunga yo gutoke Kajiado County barenge kugenda bakaschinse muchamero abasi bakombwete gari asoko kujara gukwani omwebori boyo mobo kolende egari yo kanyara konyora umubaso kono bwe para aschinse michuchi da karaithi kwirera maiga yegari yo bari nete nisani bakombwete kunyara gutumana negari byarenge kumnyoka kigime pickup gimo giti emira ono nigo yairira abantu 12 kunyara kwenekyo usira magima babasi bagendete kurigia amati yabo na kwenekya yega no mosipidi bwechinse mechiatara kanithi yoberega kunyara gokwanira nene mono abarundi bechigali kuba maisane muno chiga kichabutuko ekerebe mogetie na mbere ne abantu ekereba kunyara gokorobo sumbi bwabo chiga kichabutuko.
So far we have collected 12 bodies from this scene, which and others 2 injured. This is an accident that has occurred involving 2 motor vehicles, One was headed towards the Nairobi direction and another one to Meru direction. So seemingly, or from the preliminary investigation, says that seemingly the motor vehicle that was coming from the Meru direction is not a motor vehicle that normally or regularly uses this road. And we may, or I may assume that the driver did not take to the lane as was expected of him, and had a head-on collision with the other vehicle that was coming from the Nairobi direction. Fatalities, as I've said, may confirm to be 12 of them. The combination, or in total, are 10 adults and 2 juveniles. The genders are 8 female and 2 male. So for the people who have been evacuated from here, we have 2 survivors. One has been taken to Chogoria Mission Hospital and another one to Chuka. But we are yet to confirm because we don't know how many passengers were in the orphan, in the van, or those who are in the pickup. So we are yet to confirm. We have sent to the hospital. But what we saw, or what was seen at the scene here, are 2. This is a place where there is a proper marking, proper road infrastructure all through. Right from when one approaches this spot, either from the Nairobi side or from the Meru side, we have complete and very visible road infrastructure, warning signs. So we expect and we urge drivers or any other road user, be they pedestrians or drivers, to be very cautious and observe road signs.
Fuma itegento yoko ichane kegimaneringa egatieti video banyarite kubwata chio mwerio bagoteya abantu gari rero Meru tokwenda guchikunyara korora family yoyo mwegatiya ito twakorre shopping kibao twabere toguchanga ntobwatega pocket money gakeigo twende tukwani umwiburi oye turagire tuchenge tuyunge alafu umwibo abibori barengo chugwakira ngambyo muneke gena ikyombe babwate bakatebo yondo koteba na isikangi mukia bana nkore kitu nyare kogenda now chibiche cyo guciregerera se mitandao chivideo cyo kwaranga na magombo na mabebe yani it is very sad looking such a jovial team that was their last moment kobaso boiko bwenseye Danya sanyare kobeka chinkoro cyabo asaga yabanyare gutimuka ndiyo nyanja kirusi yagoteba nga pole sana mawazo siku hizi ni mengi sana. Salimia Mtonga Kenya rafiki yangu Director Mtonga Kenya maigayo nago yatomeire oru sara agotebyengira yeri tongo jare douru nga asante sana so kumubeka somorobero mwanso buno yigabwenyone akuganiria abantu bonsi ritkoligia asante sana oru sara turatebya sore emambe yalero dira kirubako tebanga nowadays we fail to understand what's going on in our country. Yaani kila siku ajali na watu kupoteza maisha. Makiwa kwa familia who lost their loved ones and quick recovery in Jesus name to those involved in the accident. Mbaro babere babikira gitari au I think Chuka na Chogoria bagendrete konyoro bugweni ase chinyagitari ekyo tokonyara kubasabiranga nyasaya nyare koba obugwenia bwabwango mete bagotebanga abanyagitari abakorwari nyasayo ogwenia igobono tokubasabiranga abanyare konyora ukugwena kwa bwango asokwegena yakera mbabwate kwerende awakwanania mbaya n'abayibuli barenge gucikunyara gukwani and it has already happened agikugurukerwa umubasukano bwepara 50 chapter kiriguriye chinse 12 chabo no mambia astariki nibero mutinyino yokianda mwaka no bwechiri bubere na 24 John kwamboka na lile Italiane Director Mtonga Kenya nero likura sensemendi studio kwene kibuna yega kwabere gukunyara kwenyora senchira yobwekirano tutoranya kwenda sensemendi studio asokunyara waka na bills 123 mambia lero ndetwenda baka chinse mu Ngara egotoke meya Nairobi Nsamiga ngaga utailing karo karense moiga chinseme Ngara abwase chef yabogete mambi awochgokie gas kumbe njabwate shida ekolipuke pa na kumbe nsemali asenaro abantu bagwichori chigas nero ikobwata pa kumbe korumuinake egarage nero yale ngororo ne chigari chipakiri yali na chiru chikobwata pa bolipoko gatato wana bamenye bechinse muchangara niko bamenye tono bwoba na banyarire konyora sare nene maiga iyo molero yo nyarite kolipuka buri tkolera chinse mecho kolende onde tayo nyarite gusiria bogima bwae baro banyarite gusiria enibo etalienke asa chinse mecho askiri babere bakunyara gusabe serikali kunyara gwesona nigati na kunyara gutegerera ibiriro byabo baronga kibara bakonye baro babwate byasara baronga ibago chakera eboni gometa abana bakiri chiskuru mukunya gwekara kali chiskuru fisingo tia ono mete minute nga kuiranire zero ono kokani barenga undole na kokani kuyanera nyare wekas chinse mochiri changara me Nairobi anyare kurubo konye bwae asara nyare.
Mi tunaishi na marafiki wangu watatu. So like kuna mmoja anakula miraa kuwa amelala. So like hiyo masaa kufika unajua ikilipuka ilikuwa inalipuka unasikia nyumba ikitingika. So akatuamsha akatuambia, "Brayo amkeni. Nikaa kuna lipuka." Hapa hiyo hoteli yenye iko nyuma yako ukiangalia moto ilianzia hapo. Moto kuanzia hapo hapa hii ground yenye tumesimama hapa kulikuwa kumewekwa stock ya gas.
Sasa huyu mtu kama ameasha gasi hakujua kama pengine inatoa hiyo oxygen ya kinaweza leta madhara, kwa sababu yeye kukuja sasa kuasha hata ni bahati mzuri kuchoma kwa sababu amekimbia after hiyo moto kuwa kwa hewa akakimbia.
Kila kitu nimeokea, kitanda zimechomeka, kila kitu imechomeka. Juu watoto walikuwa ndani na ungeweza kuingia hapa, juu moshi ilikuwa already huku ndani, ungeweza ingia. Watupe ID, wasitulipishe, watupe tu ID kama as a original ID. And with the other documents, zuza vitu zote za masomo zilikuwa hapa, kila kitu ilikuwa hapa.
Moto imekuwa mingi, nikakuja tu nikakuta vile moto inawaka, lakini isingeweza kukaribia juu kulikuwa na mlipuko wa gasi.
Sema mafriji, maziwa ilikuwa pia hiyo lazima imeisha. Ndani uko dhamana stock na machine tuseme hapa milioni.
Sijui chochote cha kufanya, sasa nimekuja hapa nimekaa tu hivi. Moto umechoma kila kitu.
Isheli hapa moto ingeshika ima kontena na maana tungepoteza mali nyingi za Wakenya. Lakini wanakuja kwa kuchelewa. Sasa tungesema hata hapa ni vijijini sawa, lakini hapa ni katikati ya mji. Hapa kila mtu yuko hapa, watu sijui ni kuambeje madam, lakini
asara nainda asara nene, pole sana. Rocha bantu bakorera saragari bagoteba ngayani jameni ngaitugo chakira chifuriji ngochia yani ene town ime anyway moko saberanga abantu bari masabume ke bakorekanere kurende gekire gukorekana and I hope ibintu bine bige especially milipuko ye chigasi yabere kunyara korekana ari ne muno mwako ene ntu already yembakasi tuliona abantu bagasiria magimabo abantu bagasirie nibe tarinke. Yani ebintu bigambita kiri binyare kurigireri wasobo imane na Monase County ya Nairobi na abantu bari mu gutwara chi gas plant angene asabantu bamenyete kanu turanda avoid tikango turigi location sasenga kende kebe na kebange lupuke bantu bange bari kunyara gutigana nango mantindi gusibantu gusiria magimabo gusasare nene because na mutabigumo compensate mo kunyara kuirane bogima bwa monto sirire sengencho ya kerigia korekana chinse mecho. Prince Nyachoti Mukaya, good morning, I'm tuned in, asante sana. Ruth Nyabutike agotebanga anarauka na mamake Bilia Kemunto Mariaria Roda Kanika Mariaria Tabita Mogire Benedict Nyagaka Mose Job Patroba Mose Mariaria Unsare Mose pia na Kisi Television bonsi basoe ase omoroberia begana mashabiki abekire asomoroberio. Of course mbara abekire gabuna Andrew Matunda, Clinton Ondigi, Riobonchari, Banchari, Wilfred Willy, Mamake Joy, pia na Josephat Omwenga. A password tune in, have a nice day, asante. Embusurengi yako Rubonchari alibomwancha akotebanga kondani, asante. Robert Onyancha akotebanga koru Wonyatachanya miobo Catholic President Wilfred Willy Prince Nyachoti Mukaya omubekire nera somorobira gotebanga good morning nere nwari tundina somorobirio. Of course nawaona pale makunyara kuiranira ni Asetio Zumbe. I can see munaendelea kucheck na kubeka abanda abanga somorobirio. Ine roko balishabikirigi ya goteya abandi na barabunga yani bwansu bwenyo nitari nchabyeka nkonyara goturu na nyora ali agendete gokorekana watura abande no rio turoyonde baswa bonse somorobiro bwenyoni njetige basianeti garenga no bokomanyogo semi tunyare kwagachana. Of course aso kunyara gokogokia naro nimbe asini ni kera bono buna rero rochi kurutwa chage tukwanera makweli monto weta monto wetwa monto kokenya abantu monto akoraki bono nkoro nchira arongia buya. Next bono ntete twenda sensemo yende studio tokoira na nimbwate nsemo ya siasa. My friend naro chomo senetari ago checheri umugaba na kabisa nyalibo gali me Nyamira bali mubakupete batebire mbali gucibirasi nati batebire umete batebetigo umete mugwato bucinga sana iyo nati yatebetigo nakimogo twara yani mo komena na gana TSC muto chandete namuroche oyu Collins naira neretiaga tebanga yaya ntuneli to wisaransa semesa tuarizo naut na so far bategerera magania balimu nkikira garante ya balimu bagenda somugiro kupetwa wamesema no way full stop we are not going to school another week ya bana gota nyara konyora chisemia sebirasi. And of course siasa nero ya ODM na Muroche Godfrey Associate beti Kalonzo Musyoka wewe utatusumbua na Kalonzo nere mbali nge pwani gari eneo la bara bakasangemi sana bamenye bensemelia banyarte kogogikilie serikali sana. Ruto as we are speaking hayuko Kenya, yuko pale China egekarokia China Africa kigendrete gari asha travel kolende goronare ngari Bungoma nanyarte kogikilia nene mono siasa chie evo kabira ethnic politics kolende Gachagua yeye alikuwa Meru. Alisema hata Rinduri alifutwa tu kazi kwa sababu ya siasa. Lakini alikuwa anafanya kazi mzuri. Ayo negatiari ya mange tochi konyara koligereria emambi ya lero. Toska ngori nanda seka getari getambe John Kwamboka na ligetariane. Director Mtonga Kenya nero la sensemo yendige studio. Toska magazeti naro na ayo ya mange bina nanyara kogotebi. And of course, topic ya lero nechi konyara koba enyansu kegima. Toska.
CTV amandegere y'umugusi
wate tarike uchakira chitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda mechi maburo
Nyatiji ndigereri ndikachaka kutwara ubwene mrongo bw'ubwana okwengera nomadoni ngo nango bodi Tako chocho chenchi change chobege. Oye soke to muno monto iwita ya kawanji bono ngane chikwayo go chibonika.
Nemere mende ne rotigale. Utabia. Sitakora ara no mo sina gotora matobia. Site bakwari ngikurusi. Bachandiro mu muro bande go ore irosire
Nchomete nchomete tinta bikori bina binta boni garo chinechi ngori gya bantu ka followers nke 100k followers na rio mete na ringori gigo na basanya abana bakondi nchiko be pixel alafu no aga igo konte binga tine cyber kora tawo umete nchobo sioro rio bona bunta target tigando rikisabirio mtona ro ranya kutoretio bo nonsense
okoenda gari natanyora abasani batugorrekende totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro gusetwanyorire already asetore togotenda
akortori gosa konyomunai
Oye mangana yakuru
Ntebi yange sababu enene nkina chayiru
lakini tato nintoni
soka ngochiga oire ranti yao chimena ntara miamingi gorobo nga manje bwacha konyi
Amanje mendo. Ojia.
Saliri.
Mbuyande.
Unipotelewa.
Nakikuwa chenchiriga.
Na chenchi zina kwa chenchi kwa kimi
Nche ngorwa abana busena sana.
No, kirao mukungu oyo nkomange nakyo tanyomeirore seino. Tatsomine n'omuntu bwate kibesara kiria senchio oyo kuba extravagant. N'abakungu bakamukura. Agatiga omukungu mona gakikonyoma nyoko. Kwakuboneka yawafata n'omuntu ore onananserevu.
Orege ntunkira kare kulise. Ono okumunyoka muno wendorore.
Ago, nkoba mwete ni muri voye muri. Wani mwete, koba kampaka. Koba itanata. Ima. Oyo wala ko. Ochi. Oyo to. Oyo wala.
Muwa kongwe. Ngajibesa.
Ngwa kandre jiak. Alganero. Na wate bi
umpema. No metara ngoro.
Chinsa chindoko tema kora mosoro rarengera. Omanye mwango le litangani. Iga ikoro mwage sare.
Bwati omugano oyo iga ayemo aseyemo Mechi Maburo.
Ota Studios. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Twatire kuma Geni Uhuru maine otire kuma Geni Uhuru maine otire kuma Uhuru Superstores.
Uhuru Superstores neduka egotoka imemo chokisi eyo egokoneria ebinto au oragani asenka yao ase amagoria insemono. Uhuru Superstores nigebwate ebinto byo tumeka nyomba bunabono obosibwe chitabati bwe brand au eskari amabuta yechingeni obosibwo korugera kisabuni amabere nebinto binde evinge boigonkoni abali ebinto byo kwagachira bunabono amabati yechi brand au buna MRM na dumu amabati yechikala au ayo akwewa ase e warranty emyaka 5 nebere goika emyaka 15 na boigonkoni abali esimiti nkoni abali deformed bars chitanki cha mache chichi size au emesmari crown paint nebinde evinge Uhuru Superstores boigon korentra bari amoyo obotumeka asomogondo ayore DAP urea CAN boigon chimbusuro cha Kenya Seed boigon konya bari
aye nsibere binde bibwangu bangororaje mongino na byakanyete para nanda na bako chenche gari by the way aye ayere go Uhuru Superstore igaiga nori tiburi agorire ayo muntu ori obwate biasara by the way nabono kamati yano imote byatege bintu byegiosi kinobirega bionde bichungu nzima ya yerego Uhuru Superstore nanderi bori
asa mange batarre ase duka yabo imemo chobo songo ase amagacho a Uhuru Complex ange roundabout ya gitari ya General gose KTRH barabare nebengi ya Credit Bank gose obakire simi goitira se number 0111161 na boigona bokubarikira email otomase info@uhurusuperstores.com wose customer care@uhurusuperstores.com boigona bogotara website yabo ya www.uhurusuperstores.com. Uhuru Superstores, guaranteed quality product at the lowest prices.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Enjoy StarTimes Sports all month long. Buy a StarTimes decoder at our business halls or dealership countrywide to experience passion from the heart of Saudi Arabia's most electrifying football league.
This is absolutely wonderful.
Renew your subscription today. The thrill of every La Liga goal, the intensity of every Bundesliga match.
Coming down.
Feel the passion, the power, and the pride of world-class football as the best teams battle it out for the sound of victory. Renew your subscription today. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Eye Kisii TV amandegere y'omugusi.
Wilex Wholesalers ne duka enene yokonia ebintu byeduka asamo guriense mono imyomucho Kisii. Nige duke yega egotoka asepara ya Kisii Nyamira Highway ase junction ya Nyangongo. Eduke yega nige konia ebinte binge egatiabo amasiechi chabati yechi brand au esukari, echumbi, omachere, chisabuni chechi ina au amabuta yokoroseri endagera, amabuta yokweyaka, chitishu, amachokonyu yechichuba nebintu binde ebinge byogotumeka nyumba.
Among no I love you. No the Wilex Worzerazi. Ajabike bintu biri byonsi ndigite list. Inchubaka Wilex Worzerazi ebintu ntumbetesiko. Mong no nabano turi kuchukurara. As long as no turi Wilex Worzerazi. Amagulia rinzi, mong no ne gasi asuri. Pass. Bono ngakire sabu ore. Wilex Worzerazi ngakire sabu immediately. Buya kabisa by the way.
Eduke yega nige okonerie bintu bibionsi pi ase amaguriense mono nabo igo nige bwate abakurie meremo babwate umukia bwoko konya asobwango kigima.
By the way, amachero yo gabono ko gora bunore gabwansirimo.
Bunore bwansiga ri mu.
Aya beka no machere.
Ntobwate obosibondo bwokorwa no borega iga bako bobwechi chabati ringo sinera abana bakonyakori. Nabo igese eduke yaito. Toko ukora bwangu turuchibuna to karire bwangu
by the way na ndendo chegari murambika sine ko bekwe gari
sine ko bekwe gari eduka ya Wilex Wholesalers Erenyankonko junction ese pare nene ya Kisii Nyamira kiwa ikire na boko nyore duka ite nene likire Wilex Wholesalers isko gago karibu. It's a home away from home.
It's a home away from home. Wilex Wholesalers, it is a home away from home. I love you.
Asamange bakiresimi wetirase number 0792503252.
Kisii TV amandegere y'omugusi.
Ni msimu wa kuvuna chapa na tatua tatu. Kuna guaranteed 1,300 vuna cash baada ya kila nusu saa na daily vuna bonus ya 1,100 kila Jumapili. Unaweza vuna hadi nusu milioni ama tuktuk ndani ya Tatua Bonanza Live na zawadi zinginezo. Vuna chapa leo na tatua tatu. Ingia kwa M-Pesa paybill number 150 account, weka namba zako za bahati, fuatiza na neno Kisii. Amount ni shilingi 10 hadi shilingi 1,000.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. BCLB number 000898.
Kisii TV amandegere y'omugusi.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo cyobosongo nigo yakira sengencho yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari babwato bomanyi bwigoroke gima abo bakora meremo yabo keboikeranu.
Incheno manyagitari irini kemma obanyi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo muchito bosongo.
Boigo enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya echichigo tumeka koringoria maroire au asomobero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao
nabonta getogotanga ase enyagitari ya ito nigo togokara scanning yo mobero mogima yani tokonyoroka so munu bweke songo nga full body check up igonta getogotanga nigo tokorigereri korwa so motwe paka amaguru ise twarigerere the internal organs chia uchons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chia zero function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oboroire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer.
Nonye no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbwa nto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga marwa mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gosako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabiya nto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga uburwaire buri tokorokanga osteoporosis na boro buno burwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na arororo nkorigereri tore nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu mbarokonyora igekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire anda mange
na inda mariogo aya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisikobu na bono USA mariogo nari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere in USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusia China
asa mange bakire simi ase namba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Soro mwancho murigererio KCTV karibu sana ase omoroberio bwenyoni ensemone ya kabere eyo buna botambe nigere ensemo ya magazeti nalitkolyale ensemo ya magazeti tindibieka nimbo tomogenegega ase studio wa storage kunyara go sange mambia rero kunyara go chambua egati ya hali abekire ause airo boltase chinsemo cha magazeti emambi ya rero John Komboka na lile taliane na director Mtonga Kenya nero rasensemo yende ya studio karibu sana ase studio this morning. Gangu sogeriga. Okay, abantu barakororire kintu kyawase media kidogo ugaikogasira. Welcome back. I don't know gosenche nako tukoleta square.
Abantu nabo jabasira lakini dende this is Kenya and that's live.
Wow, monkwane lyo morigere lyo matabi na kyokorokwa sekwaro na nenga kiora.
Mwanjo morigere lyo mona sana sema mbyalero twagire na time bya mona tunja tubokire nanda toikire rero iga twachira tengejyo kwanania na gusanga yara Maria sere tukuri yalero. Sama litane bali bayebire bose bali batama yiti yongoro kwa Nelson usongo bicana seito ko bogo tutuma saba nyambaria nanda singe njobo mabwa kare twaramenyo kira samangana mangi bogo nainde twachira singe njobo sanga bakara bano kogendera. Bya mona sana na inde bya mona yulalia asinge ko ngarigalia.
Okay, karibu sana. Of course njoma tekingora tebanga kinegwirige sirikiane kigwasoire ma karibu nao anytime. Next time hata ukikuja na viatu utapigwa utasema ngande. Emmanuel Mwaga moteri Emmanuel Mwaga gotebanga korwa Getenga village rio mamarani pamoja na my lovely parents Anyaboke and Peter Mwaga live. Asante sana abambali banyare go swasomoro video this morning. Now na mange sana iroborita chinsemo cha magazeti ayundaga ninga tunyare ko ligereriane ne mono no kunyara ko ya chambua sobo imekegima kunyara ko manyanga what is not happening or what is happening. Now tikatu chake igane gazeti ya The Standard bunoro cho moligereria atogosukwa igoro kidogo. They are talking about the misplaced priorities as gazeti ya The Standard bagotebaiga the country faces a myriad of problems from the teacher strike that is threatening to derail secondary school national examination to agitatory Gen Z youth who are calling for good governance to the imminent threat of Mpox disease. However, the president and the executive are busy politicking.
Exactly. That's what is happening currently. You can agree on that.
You know, Mpox, it is a situation, I don't know mbona watu hawaifanyi ikuwe kama big deal, but it is a big deal. I was telling abantu enchira narebo kwambukira abantu. Ngabasoma igoro ya science. Ngachotema ko ligomenya gitaya kantabya kidogo serikali haijakubali. Oya mochoteba case ni mbili so far I think ni mbili ama nini?
Sai at least between 3 and 4.
3 and 4 cases confirmed in Kenya. Bora bukwambukira, I think it is a virus bukwambukira buna corona.
Bunga corona, it's a type of corona by the way.
Yeah, but pia sasa eyigano en intimacy goikanange kemobere na bokonyora, konyuntana na bokonyora, gokwanya omonto na bokonyora buroirobo.
Injengo yerukanange corona number 2.
But no, the difference is with this one, ebita masembiro bigosoka somobere. Yeah, arafu liberera ndire igoro mutunko gwathiore kubanko gochanda kire sore throat nero. But ebita masebi na bikorete tobauti. Na so far kwirendete rachemea Kenya. Vaccine walisema itakuja before the end of the year. And in Africa so far the cases are rising. Aya, now teachers strike.
Yani tutranda teachers strike. Asa burwere wembox. Engabuna serikali ndio in place especially in Kenya and in Africa. Yani mbara ihuo so burwere bomboro. They should have taken action.
Maybe they believe in themselves.
Yeah. We want to talk understanding na bana inchi batagete bara akwa bange emanya bota take action gose no burwere botaraja tunsaidi stoywe jika
but anamoroche Mudomi Nzoki oyoro mo governor udharakanithi nende role ase omochea ya health ase kwerende cabinet ya governance gari na hata betenga washajipanga kama counties and gokorigereria arene mono asokwevanga buna counties but the cancer centers the COVID-19 centers chichiarenge gotumeka now they should be revived bakore renovations gari bitanda biri now it is time binyare gotumeka the solution centers mtu akipatikana na mpox by the way they go to isolation
straight away
yeah so but everything they are ready according to counties wa wakoreni na serikali I think walishaika scanning kwa border points chinsemo au scanning negendete gokorekana
lakini mbatakeire bameke bakore create awareness as a public ya mwananchi kawaida amanyengo burwere bomboro na indi mbagendete bakora the necessary preparation kira ase bakamuna litwara gote bunga gokotoka liko limoto ngo mas so this thing should also be done abantu ndo ba aware ndo ko ba caught by unawares abantu baitwa chake gokwa.
Now another situation is we have a teachers strike.
Yeah.
This is the second week ekuchikunyarago so abali mubarabumba atebetenga sisi okupet jana walipatana pale Kasarani. In fact ngushitoro tegera chinkwana chiabo director ni ke standby chinkwana chiaba nyagitari gose abalimu akiombekeregia kupet wao walipatana jana sisi cha Kasarani walisema we are not going back to school.
Strike continues.
Strike continues. And those principals wameacha wanafunzi shuleni. I pity them.
Wanatafutwa.
Sisi hatuendi shule. Wamesema hivyo. So ntachukunyara kurigereria arene mono ajuo enchirage ndotoko kana but at the same time the president yako ninio mimi nimetengeneza serikali ya broad based government.
Sasa kazi iendelee.
Kazi iendelee. Tumetafuta maeneo yote. Sitaki siasa ya ukabila.
I think the teacher strike somehow there have issues but I would demand from the government. You see SCBA by 2021 has not been fully implemented. And by virtue that inga korabali gasi abana baitu abashapende bagende basuka to the higher levels nembata kire ko bana getu 100 deal last week tokate bani ke kalero Monday onge njo tali konge sisi ari njo tali konge do I have to come no more
ko era nga Kenya na ya modole inde vyuma ime
na kana nje ko getu promise. So that one should not stop me from getting what now entitled konyora ko last week ngasenga nje ndo vyuma unless radio just said on saga mabelo ndengo mosani on we are going to be like another one more week egere na linda utende ngaki oh man but then abali muna baromba takere maida banda bali banda bakori abana babu ati bana bawo from school so bono bana babo babu bali bajani lakini baro abana banda bali school na baro bago feel the pain ango mwana na baro naba in class aita matem so it's about it's a 50-50 kind of balancing batakere ko ligere which is which lakini ndo bale ko tema babeke the bright of our students at heart angabona yababuya elinda abana baito bagende class.
But again ekeretoko somo tinyoiga okianda now is when the president out Konyaragokora officially 2 years because he was sworn in September. Now when we're talking about the president Gokora 2 years ne serikali yae we also talking about bado the issue of misplaced priorities. As we speak, MPDU wamegoma, they striked some 2 months ago. Nurses wakagira, interns wakagira, JSS teachers waligoma, journalists waligoma, lawyers waligoma, teachers now, we are talking about Kupet. Not walikuwa wametangaza mgomo. We are talking about Gen Z protesting for like 2 months non-stop. They don't care.
Basically 3 months now.
No, they don't care kama watapoteza maisha yao. they want everyone out. The cabinet yae ameirishafle twice. Ameamua kuamua kuvunja sasa. Obekira bao na bali barenge previous, and you know, miaka 5, is it a joke to them?
Well, ukora kwa nengoli na serikali ne wa the challenge because expectations wide. I think the problem is not abananchi. The problem, I think, is the government in place. I think high the expectations yo mwananchi to the very high, to the icon goraria. Bona karwa so gasime abantu ba expected na so aiga mambi mugazi ngoli zero. Ngoi buno nyembo.
Serikali ya vijana.
Munaso aiga mambi ngoi wa mafuta furi mbeja boda boda. Munaso aiga no njingi ni chomo ndomondo nko ande demondo chiro choko ni free because ngo they do na vitu zote stand wapi chini. Wana ile problem by government yako rete ikaweka priorities yani expectations ya wananchi kagaenda igoro mono. Baji komanyanga ki when you are making a mwananchi atu expectation chiro igoro. Ekara uja kosoega asi egento kulikuwa motebe turiko chojagara nsa motenga bona the challenges bona ali no gora ndio no jagara, and that's why you can see all this bona vijana vya tuna kazi watatafutiwa kazi zitapatikana, lakini 2 years down the line gasema stay anywhere. Most of these youths wako complaining yamba libande bako form 4 bande university bande bako the first degree bande second degree, and all of them are out because opportunity chiyo. So I think this mispraised by all these engineering team. Serikali ni bawekoligere the need areas yo mwananchi egere tackle those areas bono bagendete okora politicking. In other words, bagendete kuegerera kweroseria korosio bwamate nabantu gete chirijo gete bagendete needs yo mwananchi nakiakoragera nakiakora na nyakitari nakimwana vusa kwa school nakiakonya wakane nyumba yae nakye bintu byonzi bibiri need ya so mwananchi biko batekelekea. That's why they are saying priorities yo mwache serikali chabedi mispress.
Now, Togosiko Kuchigoro, opinion split on Kalonzo's role as the opposition head. Kalonzo alisema mimi am the official opposition leader. But ODM, I saw Tsotsi tell him, wewe nyamaza, shut up. Sisi tunatangaza opposition leader. And many Kenyans babiri bako nyara kurubi rengeri biabo, they are like, ay, Kalonzo, tawe.
Kalonzo tawe. You know what? Abantu, Kalonzo na megati a blunder of his life, matukonzi bi akorukwe watermelon. Ndio mwenga, ndio yanzi bitu akorere previous likuri maega. Tanya go take a serious stand. Egera abantu bamanya kiga tebe no, it means no. Ka tebe bara ne ritoje, it means bara ne yagoje. Ona ora lo ngawo jote lo bara no to butara chibuki mando age sabari yo so likori.
But he's a dialogue man.
He's a good guy, but you see dialogue does not come here when it comes to politics and issues of stand. You people egera ko kwa ni ya siasa, you must make a decision. Elinda wananchi bako manyanga ki ayekera wata no, ire no. Wana to wata no, mandi buka soseke wata yes, mambe wata ngara bikango lengere then people really doubt you. They thinking atoko nya make a serious opposition. Yes.
Now, Kalonzo no igoro naro cheka uko naye momo cheti sana serikali ya uhuru ya William Samoei Ruto and Mona Nsamoyeti semia gotebanga we were ambassadors of free education. You know this guy was a vice president. People forget that this guy was a vice president for the Republic of Kenya, and at that time the one later constitution, the current serving constitution 2010, and it is really doing good, and it is giving people freedom that is enough. And again, the same guy, they are calm guys, our pendi pressure, Jeremiah Kioni, Eugene Wamalwa, you know, mbanje tiko kunya kuetana na bantu ovyo kunyara kurama bantu ni watu wametulia, you know. And now we don't expect them to give us pressure much. Why are they not believing in the team?
Well, as a siasa ya Kenya, asi miaka ili narabe ile siasa ya Kenya, siasa ya Kenya netagete gotogori riso. Netagete gotogori riso. Talina mbosa igogo chakate abanga bwana asifiwa siasa ya Kenya. Kenya Kenya. Gotogori riso. And the Kenyan people, but they don't want to stand firm on them. Because you find things going haywire. So you got Kalonzo and the likes of Eugene Wamalwa, the likes of Jeremiah Kioni, the likes of the soft guys, they might not be able to be the best opposition because one Karuso na the President William Ruto na candidate and taking to the colleague. Not in the Parana, it's not possible. So that's why some of these people want to be in the politics of this country for a long time. Well, they might be saying they are in the opposition, but in reality, so they need to up their game. Priorities, responsibility, just stand. People behind. People is not about the behind this. People is wananchi. It is this way, that is the reason why because when he says he commands,
but they have been frustrated for the last 2 weeks. Raila Tebangam exit the Kenyan politics because I'll be missing things like Kenya Toramo, Raila Kawateko, NASA, Raila Tibim, Kenya Tialala, there was the energy I think during politics influenced by Raila Odinga. We've had who can go me? Nobody can stop reggae when the BBI.
That is the kind of dialogue of the message of Kenya, especially the generation Gen Z and these other generations, beyond 50 years. But they are energized in the political arena. But they don't understand what was happening yesterday. What are our expectations and vision tomorrow? Who can take us that way? And everybody was on the way. So let us see, he needs to our Kenya is able to take us to Canaan. Now, by that, I take the start. Now, take us matter Tangasera, Kenya, and opposition leader. Let's go, no.
But for this time, I guess Kalonzo has really took his stand. Yes. I'm opposition and I'm going to be opposition because when the Uhuru regime came, ambassador at that time, you know. But this time, whatever, no way. And he's among the people we're expecting. Wobo was CS, but he wasn't interested at all. Africa heads eye loans in China. Amura Evans as well speaking right now. Ashadunda pale China. There is an China Africa summit. African heads washaenda pale, and it has been like 2 months. Roughly some 3 good months. Ruto hajaienda airport.
Unajua Gen Z walimwambia ukienda nje utakuja upate tumekaa.
So this guy used to go every day. Akikuja nguo zinakauka, aja left.
In fact, anakuja tu anasalimia watu afternoon.
Anaenda. Alikuwa anatembelea Kenya.
Ndio wale pressure sana, but I think tikanya kwa soka hiyo sana utokake egere mai toka nyana kwa leo leo.
Etigawa tara kwani zile zenye ameleta. You know the problem that Kenyans had is accountability. Umetembea hizi nchi zote. What you brought, where is it? Chenye umeleta iko wapi? Where can't we feel the difference?
Serikali bwate gasi nyinge okora ora betobiro lakini baka asaine okorega.
Abarabuki batari gotera like how often you going? Mbona wasikuje?
No, mwana into toko saba. Oma ite tigango tebe. Enda buna kromu saja gorigo mukungu. Kromu mukungu na ta soka yes, lakini musaje nero tagite kunyo. Bono wikari yo mukungu na neba mukungu na awu karanse so baba yitaje kurangari unjugoje par to gambe. Ngono injukaje toko into need. So
he's among the people who promised Kenya that Madeni had Madeni.
Umaito a campaign now, the reality.
Background is different.
The background is different. Ground. Ground together is totally different than
okay. Yes. Yeah, so he's in China. I don't know. The
problem is with the Salakari China. Most of the loans China, it's long term and interest rates very high. So I don't know about it. No for so many years thrown debt, and we can't feel the money for development. We don't feel it. because nyinge njiriko ganda for the way injiri yita keri goja gutumika chiko ganda so uko salika. So that's
then
why
should they keep on going to China kusaba chiloni etio. Of course also se gazeti ya The Daily Nation tuchukunyara korao IMF nero ya bere kunyara kusaba they are hitting back on ads. Alafu tumnyoke nsega igase gazeti ya The Daily Nation, hire school buses at your own risk. Korengana nomo na chekina usomo jaja niganyarire ko raise issues with legal and financial risks associated with hiring out school buses for weddings, funerals in the event of an accident. I hate that ekero konyoranga umwas kono we paro koreka ndilikuwa mnyakonyoranga ekeki yakora umwas kono yunyara gokoreka na ne bus. Yes, guru. You know, it is so sad. I remember I've never recovered from. You remember the bus in sink na watu wote walikuwa nenda Rusi and they perished.
They all perished.
Ngakiria floods. And then was going to be a very kunyara. In fact, 2 weeks ago kuna yilifanyika hapa Kisii town, but fortunately on the tayonyara the gosiria Kimabwae, and at the same time maybe during the Matiang'i time, nalia everything all buses should be painted yellow. And tusipate mtu ambaye si mwanafunzi ndani. He banned traveling of schools at night. And even though
that's why toko miss Matiang'i. I think we miss Matiang'i so much. Just saying, Matiang'i is one man. If it is a no, it means that no in capital letters.
In fact, not just a no. I know that Tinta it vote.
Tinta it vote.
And you won't give him.
Education sector. Tinta get to and they made the education covers very clean. Everywhere, whether it means, in fact, from funding, capitation, your school, discipline, the teachers, everywhere, including even the school boards. And you could be able to see sanity in education. It's like people are dancing to their tunes every day.
He gave the KCSE team 2016 141A.
Only.
Number plate.
Only.
Yeah, piki.
KCSE
141S.
You can imagine in a Kenya. The only people who are very bright to get an A.
141.
So you can the word thousands. So what changed after Matiang'i went?
You know, I remember Matiang'i when like Kipiagali Chisegi Chiarenge abantu bari kunya goitana, there was lack of security, there was a lot of insecurity chinsemochiri. And Matiang'i alianguka pale na ndege and he just said 2 words. I am giving you 2 weeks. Ngapi? 2 weeks. And in fact till date sijawahi sikia issues like Kipia. It is calm. But look at West Pokot, what has been happening. Kithure Kindiki anaenda pale anasikia risasi zikipigwa the next door.
Ako hapo na ndio naomba
I'm telling you.
I think kitaya ubora yo na baro mubwate kieni cyobora. Ma ndima byanyo bwate kieni cyobotindi. Yani natagwaka chinguni gatere ni ko watamye. And I think that's why we ekara ko the education ministry and especially the security sector even protest,
I think Gen Z they couldn't dare come. Angesema wacha tupatane kwa barabara.
But then at least we need people like Matiang'i. That's why I was telling you.
But I think we should give Uhuru credit. I think he went with all the good cabinets at home, and at the same time Uhuru was a darling. Jayden alipendwa, angesikiza watu. He could love, and then he will tell us, my fellow Kenyans, you know.
The problem ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza, ekarawa soita serikali Gachagua na Ruto mbale go brother, like they are the only solution in this country.
Gachagua reminded us of shareholders.
Yes.
And we felt we meant nothing to the government.
We were nobody. So anybody will better go in the opposition zone, so in the government no you two are the best brains. So that's why we are where we are today.
Mudavadi's star shines brightest. Hapa ndo shida za Gachagua zinaingililianga. You know, at first ekeroge kiga Mudavadi yetu prime cabinet. Yes, people were like, he's a flower girl.
Yeah.
Because what are the roles of a prime cabinet? Yes.
Yes, they are doing that kwa constitution.
And ekabanga yare through hata na kanega tia ina Gachagua. Events zina happen. Gachagua amenani ametumwa Mudavadi and Gachagua ako tu idle, ameambiwa ashughulikie maneno ya kahawa na chai. Gachagua started complaining so much, and then when nyota ilifunguka, he was given the prime cabinet CS foreign and diaspora affairs. So sasa hata akitumwa is the foreign minister, is the diaspora affairs minister, so he has every right to attend. And this is where Gachagua is having a very, very big problem.
You know what? Obwato muiri na inde aino musani one na ndo obwato muiri yo kumbe muiri yo muri ko chiamo buya bona karato tai ngoda na njo muiri one rango tuli so this is what is happening with Ruto and Gachagua and Mudavadi. Ruto is using Mudavadi to neutralize Gachagua in aspects ya saro de nangu mukanyagale wasone mukanyagale. And that's why I want to call him really alenge in central Kenya that ko imbije route of previously egajira cool down because Mudavadi agatenda gati akatumeka fight here. So at the end of the day baadire Raila ino Raila maide abantu bale bachaye to mwako Raila no very new sense wo rule chinguru chiria bwate wo bona lero gale akanyaga Tiganda la bodi ya Kenya ba mutana bali bantu tagara tase mambe yao.
Especially Gen Z sahi will be anything kuhusu Raila by the way.
Yeah, bona igaje ni stoko ba ending lakini nda itokola la bodi before mutara igere na Raila na kwa ndeni. Can you even appreciate what he did yesterday? In other words, yesteryears. You need to find out what has been happening previously.
Ndio maana tulimwambia thank you, you taught us the best. So now tulia wacha tukupanga.
He took that and he has actually exited the local zeal.
Hapana, what we are faulting him ni Gachagua alienda mlima kuomba, alikuwa pale akikesha akiombea serikali ya Kenya ifanyie wananchi vizuri. Raila akapita ile mlango ya nyuma ametengeneza serikali.
Lakini mitego ilikuwa pale State House, kulikuwa na mitego mbaya.
Mitego Danisi alienda kuomba kwa mlima. Then he came back, he found the serikali. Yes.
Mitego ilianguka.
In fact, Gachagua is not okay.
Anyway, well, it's a matter of days tutakuja kuona ngaiba ikire na ndotorre ngakibagendera. But anyway, ntuge tutagete serikali ya Kongo mwananchi and especially the young generation bachandegete bagwate challenges they need to be addressed. Serikali itagete address issues ya Gen Z on a daily basis. If there is a lot of governance here to get serikali change, let us have competent people doing the right thing as a serikali. Na hiyo serikali yenye ila kwa mwananchi abantu bafiri na ki they are benefiting for the chikura bagete bakarosia bagayo. Yeah.
Now, if you go to the gazette here, the Daily Nation, World Bank, IMF hit back. Secretary of Bretton Woods Institution addresses concern about legitimacy of loans. Debt burden by March 13th, tulikuwa na stock of public debt, it was 1.8 trillion. By June 13th, tulikuwa na 1.894 trillion. Hii imeongeza hapa by 900 and something million.
940
million Haya, June 40, that is just one day extra, imeenda 2.422 trillion.
A day.
A
difference of a
24
day.
24 hours.
Wow.
June 15, 2.8.
So basically what we are saying, for 2 days between June 13 and June 15, achieve almost
actually what I'm seeing here inaongeza hapa na 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. As we're speaking June 23rd, we are having 10.279 trillion. This is bad. This is bad.
This is terrible.
Yento wet molere hata hii mafuta itabaki 20 liter.
Bado tuko na kazi.
Now they are saying the odious debts. The World Bank and the International Monetary Fund IMF have for the first time confronted damning accusations of reckless lending to Kenya, even as their rebuttals are disputed by audit and budget reports. Alafu, we are looking at these figures. We are so sad that hii itaumiza mwananchi. Hii itaumiza mama mboga. Hii mtoto ataenda shule. Hii kila mtu ataumia. And then we have a photo of the president laughing there na mtu mwenye atampatia loan pale World Bank.
Sasa unajua wenyewe mtu wako ajibe. Mbona lakini wakaje kosi uikose. Because at the end of the day ngo usikiria
si unasubiri ukijua utairudi huko. Unatoroka na hiyo day.
No mzoga ndio yakubetika na kwani wewe ndio mwamuga wangu ndio sasa itakonye. So ndio basically what we are saying yase mangana ya ile team. World Bank Roma iteka kwa wakwani ile kwa baile your proposal of the money that you need and why you need it. Mbabu at problem they will give you. But one problem the water is about our local audit. the audit ya Kenya gego torokinga most of the manager achire nchibwati egasi yakorire. And you remember some of the manager renge ya Eurobond which maiga ni bintu binde tu mwakorera ira ari gocho batainga ki torokinga how much money you received from Eurobond and whether the project chakorete. These are some of the questions chikogera this budget audit chibwati challenge because the money that has come in chi project chi akono biga se biga chi ari nchiri kororekana. That tells you ngajiba se jino ya sabetishigaja and there must be somewhere either in different banks elsewhere or the people swindling the money. But
if we really have to borrow all this money, all this interest, bado natemea nchi zingine wanampatia kikapu, already hata the goodies za US hatujaziona. What are you telling mwananchi wa kawaida? And that is why your comment section, Isaac Langata anasema hivi. Kenya's problem began with the election of Zakayo and his buddy Uhuru Jayden Kenyatta in 2013. Debt ballooned from 1.8 trillion to 11 trillion with little show for it. Zakayo carries many sins because he's the face of the White Elephant projects with these shady contractors. He should be prosecuted for treason. 11 trillion debt is too much. We shouldn't pay. Let's not pretend that International Monetary Fund and World Bank, in fact, have Kenya's best interest at heart. On the contrary, they are perpetuators of modern day neocolonialism by giving us loans that end up in people's pockets. They know this. They then force the government to squeeze us dry to pay back the high interest loan so they can continue enriching the masters as Africans remain poor and oppressed. It is time this changed. The IMF does as if it does not know when they transfer money to banks in Qatar, Cayman Islands, Dubai. Who's fooling who? We are meeting today with our technical support team to help us secure a loan from IMF because our new dynasty is much in need of money to campaign for 2027 elections. What is it that Kibaki did differently that William Samuel Ruto is not seeing?
I think one thing you need to understand that William Ruto is not a fully politician. He's a tactician. To me, he's a student of a politician. Because he was a student of Moi. Now, Moi was the best overall in this country so far. Kibaki was an economist. He knows every penny that comes in must be treated wisely because he knew what it means to be in economics.
Yes.
And this is those are William Ruto is just is he a biologician or what? Or a chemistician? Biosciences. When in Dalangaret is about the laboratory and other things, manufacture, manufacturing the window in Regasia, and a Tiago chemical, or in the window. So basically, Kibaki, Kibaki, not a medical to me about technical, the technical team about to understand in Cuman and Japan, how do we arrive at helping human engine? That's the reason why I wrote current to what big because they came at the time Kibaki. We could be able to see a medium one and we had free education. Yes, we had road transport, infrastructure was got changed in this country because whatever manager available. In fact, again the Kibaki rank in your mosquito about to say town George Anyona Moset. George Anyona Moset got the Yava and Jakarta Chirin Kayana, Mobo Kondangri, Chango number Changri. Changira school Chiagachi, Italy gas Yanabuno Mochumbe. Egas Yanabuno Mochumbe, no commercial woman and general a college in the evening. And actually, these things came to pass in the Kibaki. School, a free education, Elasoa, Abanaj Bavarun, Vatakiri, Chinagdar Chikaracho, Chipara, border, opportunities, Kavachininge, one way to what is again. So, what does that change with time? Even to be the vision Kibaki are in place and the people here that can be on an avant band. Be a change in one, about one of the diversion to the Yara according to the other. We use a project to get what we want to get. So some of the projects, bit of quantities, if you really ascertain over the ground was attained, you might find it is really to the and I think that's how we lose some of this money. Otherwise, when they will be led 2013, Kenya we should have been industrialized.
But again, Goko Ligereria Kibaki took over the government from Moi when inasemekana alitoka kwa serikali and he left with all the money and went home with the same. But agatakira from scratch, building the government, and he performed so excellently. What is making Ruto be any different? Alafu, one thing about Kibaki that everybody always remembers is the strong wife, Lucy Kibaki. President alisimama akasema ana side chick. And they were given a moment to say, kama huko wewe kuja sema and nobody you can't bear the power of a first lady. And then we also had the soft Margaret Kenyatta, the sweet Margaret Kenyatta. She brought Linda Mama, Beyond Zero, you know, net zilikuwa, maternity was free. Right now we can't even feel, in fact Linda Mama ifanyi na NHIF ifanyi.
You see walitoa hizo vitu zote Kibaki aliweka, Kibaki and Uhuru. Whatever, especially in the medical, in the health sector. Even the ones hivi alengo hivi asiri tukoro. One of my tena wana NHIF sometimes tiliko koroka na nyingi tajini whatever karaga nya teyo sino the place as in achieve social fund
social health insurance fund
wata ito change gocholo so kwani wale ndo bilie binge bia leo konya komo ni mwana inji Linda Mama mu ngina kwa ngabita leo konyo kwere ndo na karale akonya kwanda inde ko kunga ke moko ganda tari ayengo ndo
clinic
ikimoko clinic
really now
ikimoko ndo kwani wana nkopi mubale kwa ubale genetic kwa ubale ndo yani bale ndine na wanye bale mu abo bado
you know sahi hata hakuna prenatal pills, zile pills wanawake wanapatiwa zenye zitasaidia mtoto kuevuata na nitaziko clinic, you just go and buy kwa chemist, and that is the reality. Naona hapa kitoko kwa regular ya World Bank na IMF hit back yako tebanga Wanjigi alisema hatuna deni, so hatulipi.
So Wanjigi wana kama ile ndio dawa nalenda ndani ki from my perspective and analysis na kwa research yana eko tebanga chipa sto watu tuwagane tuwakondo wana deni agara tumanyo maana he should be able to come out and give us the evidences. Agara tumanyo ito
Particularman ako tebaiga, no loans should be taken from now henceforth without public participation, because it is us wananchi who pay.
Yes, that is true.
So they are saying we should go and amend the constitution, especially in the clauses of loans, corruption and murderers.
Katibe tuwate ya 2010 ya gitega change ya abantu bali bare gutwara yani makosa ari amanene bare kwanda bachiko bahangite bagite bagatugo kongentwa usiko bare kongentwa usaba kutugo mitu
walikuwa na
bare gusungwa sigete gare gete gochariga banyora bakure nje bare gukwara bare tikumanya lakini katiba ya jengedi gataba ngo muntu kara kore gosoline napi igagusibwa olai yani mabwa wenzi yarenga yamerete echera bakakwe achikwira na chikutuga so rinde besikari tise ko ira niyentekyo lakini rinde problem to bwate is not about because umuntu ko ibenga ko gagusibwe myaka 5 lakini umuntu ga 1 million abegeta bond ya 1 million again oba isiko ogambe kina umuntu bwenga ko bond be yagobe gume so akisi prison oba imetenye tato sister oira nanka so ngayigo gorgere ko umuntu ayite binge gakoba free. That
is why some people still remain in power. Of course, most of the people daily. Now, is Raila double agent in Gachagwa's Nyanza popularity. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua stirred political waters by a strong show when he accompanied President William Ruto in the just concluded tour of the region. Walikuwa hapa Lower Nyanza, walienda Migori, walienda Siaya, walienda Homa Bay, walienda Kisumu, and alikuwa Bungoma hii weekend kwa nini. I saw Rigathi yesterday talk, alisema Uhuru kijana yetu alituambia baba ni mzuri. Nani akatuambia
Ruto sasa
ametuambia baba ni mbaya. Na sasa sasa amekuja ametuambia ni mzuri. Ni mtu mzuri. Na mimi lazima nishikane naye mkono, and it seems like it is vuta ni kuvute on the same, but Siasa Asmuch Patel's final journey is Mombasa Cement. Is the founder of Mombasa Cement. Nanya artegosire bugimabwa iri kore Ijumaa. So yesterday nali yaringe sabari ayo mwe abantu abange bageso kibaringe birero. He was a good man. Na konyeta abantu abange alipeleka watoto shule. Alikuwa, he used to give food out every Friday. He used to employ people. Alikuwa ni mtu wa watu. And people are so sad, especially in Mombasa County. Namuro chinonye the CS for mining and blue economy. Hassan Joho alikuwa pale. The darling now alikuwa pale kuenda na magomba ya bene. And then investigations too hot to handle. High profile cases DCI seems unable to crack. From IBC boss Chris Musando to Administration Police Sergeant Kipyegon Kenei. these murders and disappearance cases have been called for years. Kama wajapata hata huyu mtu mwenye aliua Kamukunji, aliua watu wakaeka Mukuru kwa Njenga.
Sasa unaona maitega gabwato na ndagatama.
Yes.
Gata mitiko bono maite serikali okorale asinjira bakubeka abantu sikise okorale chibwate kingoro.
No.
Gose
walipita mbele ya askari. CCTV inaonyesha walikuwa pale on duty yakitoka. In fact walikuwa
bakagete customer yake de cheki kwa kwani abantu amwa.
Go to hell. Mimi hata sitaki.
I think now ndo nako kwa serikali muona abantu banu maite mbaro bange mbeo. Ayono je moro kingo ita lakini asa umaene time. Ngona boya nyole bakagete no muntu babwale kumbe ne mbeo bakagete kiere tu. So entonces serikali nero mo nero ngo chandekere kuri abantu ababe ngo chandekere by the way tigatora bari baga baraturige lakini bare ko toletere umuntu ite Christmas andere mwana we gari ritubo bisana riri amatanga amurako musando bagararia gari ritubo bisana akobori na niyo reka borete mushimi morengo by that time alinge senator aborete na where is my dad, when is he coming back? You can imagine yega mura matanga litu kuri abario no mwana akobori umuntu na tato mintu na yare and ndio da kwenda because he knew kama the evening ngokora ngochaka bona he has not seen him for a number of days bona akobori ulengo where is my dad and ndio atajera kini nkiro jura mwere nilikuwa akobori uswali.
Now are the cases too hot to handle?
Well,
because these families they need
maybe
just the other day we lost the general of the Republic of Kenya, Francis Ogola, may his soul rest in peace, and many more. It is tension in the country, but we just walisema wameka timu ya kwenda kufanya uchunguzi pale.
Lakini wale uchunguzi ukio bora uchunguzi ndege ya nguri. Ndege ya nguri.
Ndege inaanguka aje yenye imebeba general.
General
the nini yenye anaenda it is the same as the president. Mbona mjisikia president imeanguka?
No, mbeona beko bembe onjo keigo. Mbeona beko bembe onjo keigo. Lakini nene moto ntonya kubeka mangana mangese. Kenya tole na Kenya ni bwata mangana aye.
Kuppet digs in on strike as it demands teachers promotions. The Kenya Union of Post-Primary Teachers Education and Teachers National Governing Council, led by the Secretary General Akelo Misori, seated on the second left. During a press briefing in Nairobi yesterday, they resolved that members will carry on with their strike until their employer, that is TSC, who have stagnated in various job groups.
Promote tutors.
Yes.
Promote tutors who have stagnated. Yani bono igaba adara tigre nani chibesa chiri andi bajagira bono ndu batagete promotion. Bono chibesa chiro lakini bono ndu bono ba mentrike ile muri bono promotion. Aba ali mbaro batanga ko promoted for a number of years. Abani baro on acting capacity, deputy principal on acting capacity for years. Na andeli jigoli yabo ndigo tayano monta on acting capacity for more than a year or 6 months or so. Bono abani baro ba beire in this capacity for years. Bono question nene think kibata iko ruwa marube bakole mere. So that's why they are demanding about this time round. Nanyanje sikonyo ta baje si naro jumo president nata yatenga che teachers junior secondary school education teachers ndaje babe recognized by Gwa Marube for permanent basis. Bona bararo ni ndingina bakira soka leas one thing bara ina promotion bara promote to principal na deputy chinde and other teachers are different grades. So when what they are demanding is okay, but I think bona ya promotion they very serious bune yeshivers. When you want to promotion ba tigiri bona wali tiga baba era na mambi ba ira nekera.
Wanyongelea pia pesa, that is why turaenda sensema ndiye studio director Mtonga Kenya tunyare gotegerega teaching kwana chabatendu ba Kuppet ekere banyare tugotwarege karas chinse muchiria chia Kasarani abuli tukoregora alafu tukwirana ndonyare kuminyoka baka ase gazeti ya The People Daily kolenda siboniga director tunanyare kwenda baka chinse muchia Kasarani abwasa baraya baiga banyare tugotwarege karo as chinse muchiria chia Kasarani igoro yomogiro wabari mu ba Kuppet.
Is it your bed? On a serious note, we shall continue addressing issues of teachers squarely with the employer and have them. I want to thank you, teachers of CUSO, for listening to the voice of reason, and you're back to school. You know too well that the key issues that we are going to address we have addressed with the employer, up to and including having money in your pocket. regardless of how much iko hata shilingi moja. One time we got 2%. This must have been 2000 and what? Was it 202? Tulipata 2%. And we still went back. We must safeguard the position of the teachers, and we must have a working force that is very professional.
You cannot wish it away. We have followed all the legal means of a union to go on strike. But it now appears that the wisdom of this country to create the Ministry of Labor has been made irrelevant by employers. And one such employer is Teacher Service Commission, who chooses not to address themselves to the calls of the conciliatory role that they were supposed to do with the union, because that is what the legal route is all about. Instead, they choose adversarial means, basically meant to punish and to untwist the union and to continue oppressing the teachers of this country. And that is why I'm telling the whole country that this industrial action has now metamorphosed to a struggle. Because without the review of career progression, and I hope you saw, those who watched Citizen yesterday at 9, you saw how teachers are coming out by themselves, yet they subscribe to a union. How they have been subjected to servitude and lack of recognition, even when the teachers have got loans to go to further the education. The current education system requires teachers with aptitude in research. It is the people who have gone to college with and further their own education to have masters and PhD who are now going to be useful to this country. So our struggle is not based on the increment of 1,000 bro.
Even 200.
It is not. Because when a teacher moves from one grade to another, his status is elevated. So the employer has refused to elevate the teacher. Yes. That is the reason for which this morning, this National Governing Council, which was called to review the status of the strike, have reported positively that the schools are not running and they are not going to run.
Yes.
Corporate power. For the next 1 week.
Yes.
Even beyond.
Yes.
The teachers this time have vowed to stay at home.
Yes.
They have vowed to stay at home.
Yes.
We are only now appealing to those principals who have been persuaded by wrong notions to let the schools not to be burnt. The teachers who are known and who are qualified and competent to handle these students are the ones who know. So the parents who are risking the continued stay of their children in school, Kuppet is not responsible.
Yes.
We are not responsible. We are not responsible. And therefore, we appreciate the primary school teachers who have joined the struggle, and therefore asking parents and principals to do due diligence, not to engage in this mischievous arrangement of the Teacher Service Commission.
Mbia muno kigimo mwanchu murigereria OKCTV ogendrete kubwatio murubiri gwenyoni emambi ya rero abuna balimu bakupe wamesema walimu musilale
Lale walimu musilale.
Nakari kama ni mimi nisaita wa hiyo maandamano.
Huko badalina musilale muende darasa.
Wende darasani. All right, thank you so much. Tuna nase gazeti ya The Daily Nation na soko nyara gokolera People Daily asense moya magazeti this beautiful morning ngotebiro bya mnyokere kigima. Meru parents visit ends in darkness after 12 perish ndo team pale bali netega aliyo mpabwa tete video ao bakote babagokire bagatoroke bintu baringe kuira senka ya umunyaroko yuga. They told us a lot kere baringo wakati bichampaka abana. So as we are speaking, 12 of them are dead, including 2 children. And babere mbaro bagendete kurwanira magimavo yomonara sinyagitari ya Chogoria noyonde nigabe kire ase nyagitari kiega. Let me confirm nyagitari ya Chuka na amoni nyagitari ya Chogoria bagendete kurwanira magimavo. So this is the saddest moment. Ntwanyara kuligereriga teaching kwana kurengana mo speedo nyara kwene kiega. Nissan walikuwa wamekomboa ikagongana na gari ya Miraa. Gari za Miraa zinakimbia. Ulambi wangu inakimbia kama gari ya Miraa. Even if it's used in example, so ziligongana na hii Nissan. 12 of them, of which 8 were ladies, 2 were men, and children. So far, say gazeti your black tax. Why we don't want to send our cash home to relatives? Hawa ni watu wanaishi pale majuu. Apparently there is a black tax yenye wanapigwa ukituma pesa. And it is really scaring them off. Now, here is the big conversation. Shame over bursaries. Mubunge wako wameko hapa? Wale Bamisi, mbunge wa Sabati. Wario Adhe, mbunge wa North Hall. Paul Adwar, mbunge wa Rongo.
Anaitwa Abuol.
Ichio nade. Oscar Sudi, aya. Oscar, Kapseret.
Yo mune.
Haya. Mwangi Kiunjuri. Hii ni ile watu ya Meru. Like ipe. Mtu mpaka si alikuwa gavana. Huyu mpaka alikuwa CS.
Huyu ni mtu mkali na hapo na chama yake inaitwa the Service Party. Na huyu ni mtu wa juu sana. He was a very special person during Kibaki time.
Yes.
Lakini sasa tujui kikereke. Akoranga no muntu mungaini lakini wana usilinga mayamba kwa sakuruwe.
No, Charity Kidambi.
Kadambi.
Paka wanawake. Na Nakuru ndo walisema wamepatia wanawake viti kutoka juu paka chini.
Na ni wengi wanawake Nakuru County.
Deputy.
Governor na senator. Then wajumbe sasa. We have around 5 or 6 women from Nakuru County.
Yes.
Very many.
Alice Nganga, haya. Thika Town. Watu wa Thika. Negwo. Nikunoma. Peter Masara. Suna West.
Sasa unajua huyu Peter
Now,
Masara.
according to the Auditor General, he reveals that while some of the candidates given education cash could not be traced, like kuna CDF ilienda mahali bursary, and these people don't exist in the system.
But the question is this: hiyo check iliandikwa ikienda wapi?
Now, let me tell you, candidates given education cash could not be traced.
Yeah.
CDF committees didn't provide crucial support documents on vetting of needy learners, while failed to produce acknowledgement letters from beneficiary institutions. One, they don't exist.
They cannot be traced.
No documents. There was no verification that hii kitu inafanyika. There is no acknowledgement letters
from universities and colleges. One of the this is where we have a serious problem. And I think our chumba know about the you know, when we do about CDF committees, kwama akanyoro mujumbe wajo the CDF committees, abantu bali qualified batakere go sit in those committees, mbali konyora the opportunity to sit. Abantu babo sit in those committees are cronies to the MPs. Abasani baine baba chumba aba. Yani it doesn't matter whether you are applied for an interview or not. Omondo doko should be a very special person. Chumbe amayete was the senior manager ya campaign manager amayete na walga ansari. Kama akanyora bona kwa a student cannot be traced. Na imua manyaldo mukamwesi basari lakini bona you can't trace that person.
These people are not accountable over the same. They are not accountable over the same.
These are some things they cannot be accountable because
and many more, maybe gazeti and maybe hata tukiingia huku ndani ukurasa wake we'll get more faces.
Abana bali bako kuna serious. Yani bali bako serious bako bali bikone. Basically what we are saying, problem nora say CDF committees. Abantu baita bajumbe baita matageribane, and I think this is where now Gen Z need to come in. Egere ba create system ko ebe kongo as a governance ya.
Mnatutumia Gen Z vibaya.
Gen Z ni mwanga kwa. Asa ndio yake. Hizo bali ya abantu bali bali in the CDF committee, some of them didn't go to school. If they went to school, they reached the form 4. But some of these documents what they know what are going to scrutiny, they might not even understand some of the documents. Number 2, ekarabata bring about acknowledgement. Ekarakuwa rule basari which is school, never secondary or university. This school will acknowledgement letter which at the person office. We are happy we received your check on the following students. We appreciate. Thank you for your support. His amount. One of the acknowledgement letter. The person supporting documents. You got the the same thing to help. Mwana kwa akatebunga aligosenga category 1 mpaka category 5 abekira sata wento kwa mwana utakire kwa basa wento kwa batoto oba nabe supported kwa nala abekira sata ile isana na bible maliki when actually bible batai. So these are some of the questions we want to keep in mind. Where did they sit? They like answer bagaikira this. Did they do part of the participation so that they can be able to understanding they qualify to be there? The same thing with here. Not one you can't trace the student. Because you guys received. That means
labda kuna mwanafunzi anaitwa Peter Masara alipata
Ngoja mwanafunzi yule Nelson Osongo mchana. School kingo soma. Encourage kinde. Ekarangwanya rajibesa na account kichaje because you don't write a check to my individual account. Oko ni check to a school. Even charge the school. It means charge kire but there's a jitomire pay. And then the problem with the finance managers of the CDF. The other finance managers was account fund managers for every constituency, very necessary, very transferable from one constituency to another. Now, our account for this. They are also caliber. I don't want to go to the general whatever. Need to take it to their hands. But they mean at least you have an affluence by which message. Per name, per word, per school, per university, every abantu those students mwana yolikira na kerangu azimatoke. So bonga imamu mabani tatu mabani school kiali. Maana modulate no musabiji bakoni famuna ndo manye do maide because some of the students are not there. That's why they are going to be stressed. You
want to tell me there is no clear directives igoro kwenda na chibasari?
Nichiro.
And that is why the tracking here beira komu.
Ase ngibono they are not going no jage matianya kwa romu. Ekera kata kero ko this way tikawa kwa that way. Bono ga ya baba de ko this way use this procedure ba ma kwa that procedure.
Anyway, rego ko raga bwense mu magazeti mambia rero chinsani bere chabo no mambishita ikanisano chabo tukire director mtonga Kenya nte turambikira roboti rwa siasa achio kunyara ko mochesherio mu governor bwe county ya Nyamira roboti rutunyara ko rotegera seta ikaya mutongo cha twende sema ndi studio because it is about to get sweet, it is about to get hot. We have to have this conversation this morning. Siasa ni muno yoro ngoro wangu si and impeachment motions. What does it entail? I can talk one about impeachment. Korenda sponiga egansia sanyata okreka na ritu kurigoro ase county ya Nyamira yokunyara ko mochesherio mu governor bwe county ya Nyamira muskia mominyalibo. And remember, he's among the governors who are impeached, who are to be impeached.
People are working towards that.
Inaendelea aja.
I think it depends on our MCAs. Our MCA na ubakuto.
Si walijaribu last year.
Our MCA tiango there. Ekaro bugate valid reasons of impeachment. Ekaro bugate valid reasons. There is no way out. Those valid reasons cha change overnight. Ngabona obairo muya nyingoro jare ngonga lero nchi.
If there is an impeachment motion looming kananuka mahali pale Nyamira echiga negative hapa macho I think zitaekwa pale na macho ndaro ojinga watu wameitwa mama is it wrong ari kama ngina mama is it wrong aombe jikoni aombe kitchen
na ile wala ngina bako rasili ndaga rasili jikoni
is it wrong aombe orobago wala itoro
ndio ndio bado utanyalibo mwana nyalibo nere na bwatora memoro lito moko muitabana ndo ya leadership moko ya wako mugabano itubo muomo lembele asikeria matuko
Echigari chikora cho akoro kuanga Fontina bono nomoro chakoro kwa she was representing pale the women rep apparently ayuko in the country at the moment no mo senator jameni omo commissioner okongo mogeni ai mwakire moro this is the third okongo so echigari chikora because it is about to get sweet this morning.
Igonta que toko batebinga gotwara mu maiso marore. Igotwara mu tokoro ku mama. Igotwara mu abakungu ngari mocheri. Ali asaba kungu toko genda abakungu nduo toko enda twanyora abana. komosacha kama kwana nga mahali wa mama wanapatiwa watoto. Ikotoko ewa wana bakungu mamito. Tabatari mjue ya kwamba tuko na wamama wanatosha na endete katawatereba iga. Oyoru aiga kumbe kerema kechenje kende. Oyoru aiga agateba ngane rore komurikira mangana ngakamwegeria akamuteiga kwenda gukwana ngege Kiswahili gikamusinya. Goko tebererio muntu gusaka bo mwarimu omuya masomi buya. Nero feire tibunestende tatabatari. Kanga nero gamberete omungu no yakorega sindia. Kwa hivyo kama Nyamira nataka kuambia tuko na mama ambaye ametogoria umwekaine kama baba Gladys Wanga na tuko nje kufanya kampeni ya mama kuwe kiongozi gavana Nyamira.
Bito kero mondo torojo musofu kali nyamba tuwe. Na injira wotare tuno mugaga bito ekaro to meranete mheshimiwa Steve Mugaga Nara iko ikarasete to kanyigege. Bona gavana ndo isenge soko dia konete usine Kiswahili. Bona ntoko mai. None karo to igeta ayikora bu. Toto amakadinga karo goterena aiga to goka. Gogo tenena ote ni president nga toto tagete oro sinye kitaye ndo nelia mama Lucy. Boka to babage. Elia bagina Nairobi. Bona goto kitai. Toga no rumo gavana no tenena tunaomba hospitali ya mama. Oende kwa jina mama naende na ya kufuata tena hospitali ya mama kama ile ya mama Lucy na Nairobi. Ona roho choki rodera na rais tunataka hospitali ya mama. Oende kwa ngeki mugabana ga iwe data onyorana mama na mange Nyamira oza vile hospitali ya mama. Yolende na intra vitu tangaje tengo amoko mokonya mobo idero mama tairelo ya practice egarao kwane se present omanyabuya nonyakeroka tutoma debe ya saboro bage sobo mai Steve na mate tutoma debe ya saboro bago tutoma debe mo kere president pia mona rosiki gitari ya keroka na ino matenga tunakuomba your excellency uende tena ututengeneze hospitali kama hii kwa constituency ingine bona kutokire ta tokonyaraga bano tenga mimi your excellency ninaomba jikoni. Ona swali nage komu na umokolire. Ajo bade ni ali Mungu. Ikara ranga dia konyire igabwa tukita kaere ya Iris mo vice president. Igona gava no tenero mo sabere ni lokona ali regional district ya Baide. Pastor yanko ni na ndio bia mana soko ngari bara. I acknowledge ya wachumbe wetu mara Mheshimiwa Steve Mugaga. Asante sana.
Ate betenga basabinya gitari yende buneye ya keroka lakini bekwa se constituency yende nenga mama Lucy ngayara kamnya gotena gateba ategete chikoni you people
lakini amangana yabano umayane boli gano umayane boli babateba nyari bokoranga no musacho mu
ndo sirio bwansu Right, muzaliyo bwansu Dominic Omondi korusirare boda bwakire buyano nde meyo morovelio Ruth Nyabutike yako pale ndani yako mboni ngaina irite Clinton ondige Omisiri Clinton ondige akontebinga mukwani sana ndonsia sale akotebanga omumisiri sana Clinton ondige mubwati asaya atekirege kuraga ensa eyemo chinse isato noarega alibotuko we are short of one of us so igwete bobe tukaendelea kumweka sama sabo so tunajaribu kukamata shifts. Jaribu kurubaga tabanya hivyo hakuwa wrong, alikuwa guided bila atasema. The problem was direct translation from Ekegusi to Kiswahili. Mali watoto wanapati gwangwa. You know. We are going to talk about that. John Kombokana Getariane Toskango Chana Seka Geteregetambe. Me studio na.
Thank you so much. Nelson Osongo Chana na Akirimbe Mwana Songa Sanga. Tafuta Sikibin Elsan Mende.
Okay, asante sana. I'm told the clerk is not supposed to be impeached by the county MCS because I don't know he's a state officer, he's a public officer. how does impeachment happen. Director Mtonga Kenya nero na sensemendi studio Tosca kwena kura seka getare getambe musitoroke. I'm coming back in the next 1 minute.
Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi
bwate tarike gucakira kitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda mechi maburo
Nyatiji ndigereri ndikochaka kutwara ubwene mbongo bwana okwengera nomadoni nango boli Kako choncho chenchi change chobegete. Kwa soge to muno muntu iwita ya kawanji bono ngane chikwayo go chiboniga.
Nemere mende ne rotigare. Utabia. Chitakora ara no mo sana gutera matubia. Site bakwari ngikurusi. Bachandiro mu muro bande go ore irusirigo. Inchomete inchomete tinta bikori bina binta boni garo chinechi ngori gya bantu kaiga followers nke 100k followers nari umete nari ngori gigo na basanya abana bakondi nchikobe vixen alafu ona yaga igogonte bingati ne saibo kora tauni umete nchobo sioro rio bona bunta tageti tigando rikisabirio mtona aro ranya kutoretio bo nonsense
okoenda gari natanyora abasani batugorrekende totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro gusetwanyorire already ase tore togotene
akorikori gosa kunyomunaye
Oye mangana yakuru
ntebi yange sababu enene nkina chayiru
lakini tato mintoni
soka ngo chiga oire ranti ya ojimena ntara miamingi gorobo nga manje gwacha kunyi amanje ngedo Ojia
Kaliri
Buyande
Umepotelewa
Nikigwa chenchiriga
Kazi ndio zinagwa chenchiri kwa kinire
Nche ngoro abana gusema sana
No, kiramo kunguyo ngomangena keta nyome irore seino. Tatsomi no muntu bwate chibesara kiya sencho yoko extravagant. Naba kungu bakamukura. Agachiko mukungu mona gachiko nyoma nyoko. Kwa kuboneka yo afata no muntu onanatserevo.
Korrege ntunkira kare kulike. Ono okumnya kabona wandorore.
Ago ngoba mwete ni muri voye muri ka muri mwete ko baka mpaka ko vaita nata imma oyu wana ko ochi oyu ko oyu wana
Muwa kowe. Ngajibesa. Ngwa kande yak. Aiganero. Na wate bi utema.
No me da ngoro. Chinza chindogotema kora musoro rarengerera. Omanye mwangore litangani. Iga ikoro kunga mwagesare.
Bwati omugano yo iga ayemo aseyemo mechi maburo
Ota Studios. Eye Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Twatire kuma maene twatire kuma Geni Uhuru maene otire kuma Geni Uhuru maene otire kuma Uhuru Superstores
Uhuru Superstores neduka egotoka imemo chokisi eyo egokoneria ebinto au oragani asenka yao ase amagoria insemono Uhuru Superstores nigebwate ebinto byo tumeka nyomba bunabono obosibwe chitabati bwe brand au eskari amabuta yechingeni obosibwo korugera kisabuni amabere nebinto binde evinge voigonkonia bali ebintu byokwagachira buna bono amabati yechibrand au buna MRM na dumu amabati yechikala au ayo akwegwa ase e warranty emiaka 5 nebere goika emiaka 15 na voigonkonia bali esimiti nkonia bali deformed bars chitanki cha mache chichi size au emesumari crown paints nevinde evinge Oro Superstores Boigon Korentra bali amoyo ogotumeka asomogondo ayore DAP urea CAN Boigo chimbusuro cha Kenya Seed Boigon konya bali
aye nsibere binte bibwangu bangororaje mongino na byakanyete para nanda na bako chenche gari by the way aye ayere go Oro Superstore igaika nori chiburi agorire ayo muntu uri obwate biasara by the way nabono kamati yano imote byatege bintu byegiosi kinobirega byonde bichungu nzima ya yerre go Oro Superstore nandari bori
asa mange batare ase duka yabo imemo chobo songo ase amagacho a Oru complex ange roundabout ya gitari ya General gose KTRH barabare nevengi ya Credit Bank gose obakire simi goitira se number 0111161 na boigo na bokubarikira email otomase info@orusuperstores.com gose customer care@orusuperstores.com boigona bogotara website yabo ya www.orusuperstores.com. Oru Superstores, guaranteed quality product at the lowest prices.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Enjoy StarTimes Sports all month long. Buy a StarTimes decoder at our business halls or dealership countrywide to experience passion from the heart of Saudi Arabia's most electrifying football league.
This is absolutely wonderful.
Renew your subscription today. The thrill of every La Liga goal, the intensity of every Bundesliga match.
Coming down.
Feel the passion, the power, and the pride of world-class football as the best teams battle it out for the sound of victory. Renew your subscription today. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Bibana kikima mwancho muligererio kisi TV ogendrete ko bwate morobiri obunyoni emambiyare ro karibu na inde asense ya gatatu na inde yo mweri yo morobiri ga asto kunyara go kwandra siasa au tigendra to kore kana imeyense ya Kenya nene mono igoro ya mangana yo kunyara go kore impeachment ya barai au ase serikali ke Joan Kwambuke mambiyare ro na studio ni bwato yo minto gaiga
Nelson Osongo bichana
Director Mtonga Kenya nero rasense media studio kwene kibuna chibichana marego ya berega kunyara ko wikira senchira yo boikerano karibu na inde ntwagenda sense media studio magayo kunyara gotegera chinkwana cyo kunyara ko muchecheri mu governor we county ya Nyamira. Maybe what was the fault to what the governor aliuliza? Many are saying nga ebinte county government nko sangiririere bango onipata
yes
bono ebangeyiga nabera rose parameter wall ebangeyiga nabera yabante modern kitchen ebangeyiga nabera yabante laundry but Tunyaribo felt like let the government finish what it started. Nkolere nyagitari I need a modern kitchen there, I need a laundry there, bed sheets ziosho vizuri za hospitali, I need a parameter wall, security ikwe pale vizuri, na mombe kire maternity esuke arena mochari. Let us not talk about the accents. Yeah, he wanted, let us finish what, let the government finish what? It started. Now, people, the expectations were different. we went about getting asabenya. And then the problem is, me what I can fault the governor, nkeli yako tebanga no monto mwereti agasakara. So as a governor, you never had a plan. Walikaa hapa state lodge usiku. Onde mobunge tayo momonya hata ngato sabe keneke. Because ngoko na sabete ka alinga ego KMTC. Nyamira alimanga esinge nchibono mbairi university agasaba ne chipara au chibe kugali especially go chikeroka municipality. Ya aliomba hiyo. Mogaka aliomba nini? Sijafuata ya Mogaka.
West Mugirango maji interest ya lenge mo we university na
nawe kagenda kyabo nyorugali not Mugirango na atale tali kinene. What is the fault?
agaende gotere ne platform egenta akochire jaga rongore nyaribo mindo ongora nga nyaribo mindo no monto muyale egate gata kwane bintu byae biri amanyete ekero moko matebi bintu morengereti nari moko musiri mono So I think gosabe wall, gosabe chikoni, gosabe indobiriti is not a mistake. But lende, chibesa chijigo jase county, chigo ja from Exchequer ko Nairobi chacha se county ito, na chia tu I expected na chia wenda go budget, chigenda ze bintobiria, elinde ga national government etokorre binte binene buna chipara, chikorage, ebintu gete binene bigo chibesa chito chitaisana as a county. And I think that's why abananchi abange na the young people ba complain because mongi na buno liyo ndote betenga ngaga batete arose abarose libuya sabana wanapatiwa igonki alengere
wamama wanapatiwa you know
so watoto wanapatiwanga wana iwo si understanding aki the concept behind that but all in all nyaribo gasabete ebintu biriye korengana buna atebetugwe igonje to me na injira banga ndete ko system aki abantu bali bako mukorera advisory especially ekero murai wensale around I would say senior government officials, national government officials were around, na ubako more information ekomo ya enda ya motokeria. To me ya motokerete. Again, the one ya the gerego soga ko rume ke kabekia, ikabekia. So I think bono iga you should be able to track aligere ibintu bibi ayanki ya kwanete aligere ibintu bibi aenda te bimo gako uri president na bako audience and time motenga kora angeli dia na bora na tereti ko beka the wrong information ibintu tu atagete ko kwana nkaya mtisi tu atagete inyagitari tu atagete maybe ni bogo tu masaba go sebe in West Mugirango nya te ko ba West asenga nyamira nero ebe na nyamborabu elinde eteme go keta for interest yo mwana inje to nyamira
now ama tukabwango igatwarorire abasaye ba nyamira bagweso kibagutaka no mu governor wa bisi by the way is among the governors baringe ko tebanga nyaribo must go and nyaribo na tware gikaro nabasaye mbaisa negeti bagateba taratwira neri mabolio twaganeti ko maboli tatweti bagatokwane achaga go twayereri there was an space gari abasaye ba nyamira bakomera nari bakabeka ma egatiye birero byabo igoro yo mu governor yo egetikia manga has been a conversation egetikia nyama has been a conversation chiskuru au chibe senchira abantu bakonyora apparently no mu governor ngako yakana 6 million per month abantu au bona bakoli kuchigasi and this is a governor mwenye survive impeachment late last year when there is abuse of office, there is misuse of it is not according to the constitution. It just survived last minute. And now, we are talking about impeachment this morning. What is the state of Nyamira County when it comes to impeachment?
I think late from the time Nyagarama, Nyagarama, we cast to a Kirega. Some of us were talking about Nyamira, and there is nothing much happening on the ground. You can't feel governance on the ground. You can't feel it.
Yes.
But I think neta kireko bogara you might take a borobuya, Garuana in Jago feel. Again to Kiriaga neti was a quantity was a merit was a better promise Rico Bakere, Ekarawa and Zakora,
signs choko koreka negento kiriat I expected na living to biko one ekoro most of the roads now let me use an example of Magombo ward.
Yes.
Ekoro most of the roads chitakere cover done by the county within Magombo ward. For the last almost 7 to 8 years, they are still HRBT, Chomba Chigoswo, Avana Bagari Mapira, we have nothing that we can be able to be proud about. I am happy and I'm one of the board members within Nyamira County. And being a chairman of the board of Nyagitari, I know what we are undergoing. Anything as within Nyamira. All the health center dispensaries, most of them are suffering. When Mario no nyoro consignment once after several months. Some of the dispensaries to health centers to the labs. As a lab with a Kerikobeku in Chirikobeku, when they are amalgamating. Ono kuminga ki umurwiri ora eligion una mwana nyambali utakere kwa ende lab nyambali Kenya Kitali go se dispensary go takere kwa Sirat go takere kwa Nyamwanga onye lab ite ndika akuimoki go kairo asanya Kitali bwa te lab ekera okorigere ringa manya Kitali batakere ko bikwa abande balosi nyumba chitakere kwa gacho manya Kitali batoke bararanga barwire bagotoka na nyambo tuko baba treated. We have those challenges okorigere chiskuru jeito na ICD classes, some of them have not been done. Ogorigero y'abali baito ba ECD batakiri ko ligwa abande baka face out phase 1 balenga oro batakiri ko ligwa be permanent baka face out by virtue that inga bali gitu nyagarama oyagaja kabarusi. So we have a lot of challenges chire within Nyamira County. Ekoro ogorigero y'amangana y'ebiti ne ibana chi stadium muneji. It started with Nyagarama way back in 2013. We cannot be able to say about Chivashiavere in Manga Stadium, Irenga and Ingichiakorire. When you go there, I am not sometime last year, and I could see nothing basically. Even to be a corridor, perimeter wall, evita some of the things inside, even to be a corridor. But it is almost 10 years down the line. So I can go to the Yabu and Mayamuino. Which Namayalende Biarata, Miraka and Manga. You cannot compare, you cannot rate Namaya and Manga Muinoga. Wakagande county headquarters in Yamira town near Chipara, Chira, Feeder Road, Chirimari. Even the assembly, Mari, Pareko, and the assembly is a disaster. So we have really a lot of challenges. Now, any county assembly, Mari, and as our MCA cover is a serious problem. So I can only live in the Beyonce, even a Wogorina. Anina riboko chavatevanga aba mahali wa mama wanapatiwa uso watoto wanapatiwa na era obeire confused oiru pressure challenges ya ujira jensi ko mugasete antinjira bakolikwa because we have a problem in antinjira bali kile chigasi Nairobi, starting from ECD teachers going to county staff and several other areas abantu chief officers abantu all over ward admins and several other people okonyolanga abantu bange bali kile based on cronyism. And this can be found even though Montako and Ariako researcher find out ngaki ayego the chief officer again to get to say no ngai is certificate ya nga yere not qualified. When did you come here? Check your and the ones who remain check the big fish, all developmental heads. Once you check, all you finding at 3/4 Yavantava, they come from particular section or region. Even the Nevico Garavanto, Genesia Yinge, Echo complain. Even when they come from those regions, still Vantambaco benefit. They are people, their local areas are not benefiting. So basically, a meeting in Macro area, Tali University, Revon Wagan, the Koruan, Segi, Marevera, 92 at the Getan Evera, Nancy. So all these issues compound the leadership in general about the problem, right from the governor, the deputy governor, the senator, the women rep, and everybody. You come out of the Kukuna, where are we? Where are we coming from? In Kiabana.
But
I know him very well. Yes, I know him very well.
Pero mo deputy governor Onyamira nekere furunu chialengo rochoko nyara komurusia bisi omo governor nyali bonja tebakanitenga ne rolling go finance the impeachment and then omongwana naro yo Nakuru West Arama nere nja tebakanitenga fununu nero gendrete go fund the same because nata getenga bamurusia bisi and jamoko was topic of conversation around the same but ekagenda buna yagenda iga mangana ga ikagatulia. A lot happened. There were some county officers, a lot happened that we are not so proud of Bune County and Nyamira. But now, are we going to go back to that conversation again? or abantu mbatakire baira na setable, because I'm not proud with the fact that kwa Romo Senator arasa matanga gete uchigo chachario mugabana last week namuro Chicago do the same kwa nyoro ntogoro nere uyuno mo women rep wito nere ga koro kano mo gete na in fact no mo ntago tumako mutebigendo ra akagabana wakonyoro mo bunge gete kera bira ari rotin kwa rote Steve Mugaka no are gali nero ako mugabana wakonyora nyamoko nera sare nero mokongonta ko chimoino wakonyora yani it is like it is fun for them. Yeah, it was wrong mugabana around Tipogisi. That hurt people. That hurt abantu banyamira. But who is supposed to be this? Muganyataba sai bakore what they did kogenda gali service check kumorigi. They look for him pakamuai. Pakamuai. Ekere ba mubulire as a county assembly. Ebi tabisi ekire bakagenda county bakagenda bakase service che county bamonyore bakagenda assembly yani almost everywhere. Bakubuli kinyalibo. Bamurusi abisi. Bamurangalia manyo chapa teving in fact kora bwango ekara nimbato mujega senko genda iko kora ngambwango and they were cut short. So youths came out and they were like, we are not satisfied. Every month, every financial year, tubesanchiro chikobe kwa se budget. Yo kwa kachege egetiki amanga. Tata akinto kwa the stadium. Ebure tugali tuachire wa kontimbo. What are you telling us?
So I think as much as they are trying to do what they are trying to do, nyalibo naleko banyinje nyalibo. Naleko baninja nyalibo bona iga. Nko tale bosa akubosa igo asengenjo ya stress y'abantu banyamira. Asengenjo y'abantu bamwere pressure nande ibintu bikorolekana bitarongane. Naleko baninja nyalibo. Naleko yajali sinya kondusi obviously. Naleko badena kiasi na igire tikanti moke gendera lyango dyangende biasara bya.
Nasi yako karibu kumaliza term yake. Oh, he has one more term.
Yes, you see liria soete igasoete
term ya
Nyagarama. Ya Nyagarama slightly below 2 years. Because yetake ireko ba 2.5 years. I think below 2 years. So think I'm countering and arenge a full term of the previous one. So tokumo bareye na the next one probably. And as much as he might not be able to nataka and the next day bogabana bond in general kumo sabanga igasi akore tigate makore mirimo yae nanu magako muyare tinta gidiyanja kutwara stress nyingi tigate makore ando mwako muoro in fact none family yae na bigwete buyanga ntugato mwako muoro because he's a soft humble man ogotokwana ngoraiga ando bugata mangana minga so gale go kore gasi yae ngiya ateme goika abantu baitange through the MCAs ateme ko support whatever projects they have from their various wards elinde chigward chito chikine because their wards chibwate challenge their wards chitabwate para their wards maja tayo chinsoko chitayo nyakitali chibwate mariogo yani chisukuru ICD classes njiyo bali mumbayo ba ICD classes inside ko nyomo mwalimu aroyomo abantu nabayibuli baligete and we still have these finances from the county government we still ta ko to benga chiba share the 5.6 billion or 5 billion cha yenya Nyamira county chabera allocated this project for the next financial year and this is what we have ngiyagara doko twara workforce human resource is more than with the projects we need because at the end of the day naba nanji batakiro ko remeremo and some of these people chigasi baire jinde they can be brought together umuntu oyo makole kwanyorega asiero egokoro nabantu batano but there's almost the same job so these are some of the areas nyari bawanda koligereria through the people lakini nainde ngo bantu bali nkora ko sibakoro ku advisors mwantu nabo konyoro umuntu abata advisors abande bala advisors ya serieta but in reality political advice and general common sense advice teyo bako imbati in him bona bamaya ku mislead bamusiri abana njitwanya ku blame lakini abantu bali behind him na bamusiri bako muita. So I think Nando mo Senator Itome Commissioner of Congo. He's a very brilliant guy. Muano so matter of yo monto mongain.
A very humble man.
Umuntu okoranga nane kara wonkwana legana wonkoranga kimusacho. Umusacho umuyale, umusacho. Lakini nende bona, akimo kotema mwako inande mokoranga muligo taliko nyalekala. Mwae biranga libyorora mo pressure agende nkabuyiga twebange Nyamira abantu nabanga basaje nabanga bajide skuru basaje nabanga baroje mechandero. Then we get somebody else who can be able to deliver county ya Nyamira.
Now, there is this now we call impeachment. Na mange sana turaga niko kwa na igoro ya Nyamira, but ntogani na indo monto kuru Nyamira be no mo MCO. Monto na aronko liki kuru Nyamira. I'm trying to go tarari nyoro imendo ngonkore tante with the current situation. Yaba menyibe county ya Nyamira se ground na kiere. But now tocha se county ya Kisii. Hone kesi na kende kere muina. Na ngochi bari basi niruko igwana. Mara bari kianda county ya Kisii. Now, a county ya Kisii, they have already impeached the deputy governor, paka washa swear in mwingine. Ogono lionde, nale bado mo governor, according to the court, but oyonde bono no governor according to public service they have already sweared him in. So ntobwate nyali Obebo and ntobwate Monda ametulia pale nyumbani, sijui kama baada alirudishiwa gari na kama baada analipwa mshahara, but Obebo is the current deputy governor. Now these people last week Friday they went ahead waka impeach the clerk that the report was made according to normal deputy public service chair, the vice Boni Gomo Tentora Ambara appoint the head of public service because of Bebone Rorengo and Alikuja deputy governor. Now they have gone ahead to impeach the clerk of the county, James Nyaoga. Abantu bagatekura for a year sio kama rusumo clerk we county ya Kisii. Abantu 55 MCAs. You can imagine a whopping 55. 13 of them they said no, and 2 of them it was abstain. A spoiled vote. No, it was spoiled vote. Now mpaka clerk anaimpichiwa. I think this is where we have a challenge, and aba wakili balimolesika mwatubwira akaso somali chiko na bande twakerange si moto the best information. Who is supposed to be impeached? Ngotakire kuba impeached. A state officer or a public officer? So this is where we have a confusion. I got to understand who is supposed to be impeached, a state officer or a public officer. But we'll see if we can find one of the lawyers.
Well, we at least we monaro taliko andeke small mambi okoenda sanane bala to legally batotebi ngotakere because a state officer no monto abantu mbaro bali ba keire chikura bali in the executive. Now to me na understand ko state officers na one president, deputy president abuna abantu deputy president deli wakari kura president wakari chukura lakini by virtue ye president deputy president ya so him then ndo wada abantu bali president they were appoint una bano cabinet secretary chi commissioners very different independent commissions abuna abantu wakari ku state officers baire chikumu chi office gete atenerete areas gete chie nena chie serikali on behalf of the common mwananchi ndo wada abantu public officers una bano ba MCA bachumbe abantu bale directly elected no mwananchi bale answerable to common mwananchi so ngoko ba impeached state officers na wako ba impeached mostly one crack ya county ya Kisii county ne state officer lengi because ngomo appointed because state officer gako ba ne kasi kutangazwa as a county public service board interview yako ruwa over nominated by the county service public board ilitali aliatumwa say governor ya mu appoint in that position bono what are some of the areas baligeredi bakaranga makosa ali Nyaoga akolete igako warrant an impeachment and not a criminal case.
Ndeti tuna ndaka sama gacho ya assembly the county assembly of Kisii ritkoria alhamisi wiki yaeta ekere tuna nyar kuri part of the proceedings enchera bya nyarte kokorekana ekere banyarte komurusia visi the clerk of the county of Kisii na robe msi au bagwe soki kunyara kwena nebirengero byabo igoro ya the same there are those who are director kutebanaga ndrete kuyarigania so kunyara kwene kibuno berega kunyara konyora chibichechu but now Mr. Nelson what are the guidelines of impeachment? Who's supposed to be impeached by who, when, where, dates? Because Mwangaza is already home but she's in the county because court ilimurudisha. We've seen the same happen.
I think impeachment litangana nto kaire to understand impeachment mundu nada kaire ala tenge ndiko ku definition either general definition or definition by law impeachment ekoro ko ligere ndiko ku general definition ya general yani igonga dominate asobu agale tu asokwera na tu igoro yo agale tu na impeachment ninge ndoko da is an act of making as formal statement that a public official might be guilty of a serious offense. Ina erotokoro ka general definition. Eko making statement inga a public officer might be guilty of a serious offense. Bona serious offense yeye ne ereri. Karotokoro gere karotokwa na impeachment. Offenses chikogera umuntu aba impeached. Nchirichi nkigeko gero umuntu akaba impeached. Number 1, violation of the constitution. Nga kogenda maminja nerichiko riritwaite tirikoro ku 2010 constitution ya Kenya kogenda maminja nerichiko eri ribwata different chapters ase richiko rito ya Kenya so kogenda maminja kokore gento kegene richiko ritoite twakirete kura through referendum ikina keragero muntu abe impeached. Number 2 treason yani ekero muntu akoreta makosa manene pi bakata kiri kobere chera atakiri gosibu pi mirere. Number 3 bribery wako muntu yani wako muntu ari wako muntu roe koreta chibese gose koreta imbori gose ng'ombe gose omugundo gose kende oebereri omuntu akokorere gento gete atakire kokora
Kirikia ruseti monda
yes kirikia ruseti monda
koriko mosayori egasi ase water
koreta chibese ega akoe erino murigiriega ugas ina togoroka bribery nene gento kende ngero igorokwo corruption yani in other words chibese chia serikali asore ini chacha yote nerete lakini uwo chitumia asenchira etabwenerete kolengana ne project chibese ichiarwere tugo chabo that is corruption. Then ibintu bine mbyo tokoro kanga gross misconduct or abuse of office abuse of office eminete ibintu ebyonsi ibi ekero geryoire is an office wana kara gwakorire ibintu ebyonsi ibi byamagoro generally abuse of office bono nga watumie office ya obobe wetanye njireri nyasa yani kwa kanibyo kare ndoki oyetumie so ebinde byonzi ibi ekero to koligererie ebinde abuse of power kero kende muna wono munte kara kana nga there is abuse of power na liba chinguru chiryo ire buno mugabana goso mukraka gose deputy governor gose speaker gose ninki watumia liba galiria kokorera abantu gete bobe gose watu ali bagaliria go intimidated kogosereria abantu gete bobe ine rutogoroka abuse of power watu mi ali bagalia okero gokiao kote yo muntu nga no mate nga nje muntu no mate nga labanda bakore gento gete okogosereria muntu by virtue of the ine atogoroka abuse of power so bona question neyo nyaoga narwete office mangana kiaya renge so critical ale contested eli etali ko ku impeachment ya senyaoga lakini tale contested bamo report as anti corruption authority osibamo report as the police egeraje ko ba investigated abekerwa case of criminal nature.
Another question is twarorira bago impeach mu governor twarorira abandi bago impeach mu deputy governor Kisii County some 2 months ago but tema go mu impeach mu CEC administration oyo chete sekigambera kairani and now banyare ku mu impeach mu clerk oyuge keraba impeached by the county assembly nerina takirwe kigosibwe senate asokonyara kwegererwa Director Mtonga Kenya akontebi ngonyare konyora ebikaro biribyo konyara ko mwimpicho mo clerk we county ya Kisii buna byanyare tegokorekana tigaturaenda sokonyara kubwate sedekemo entera proceedings challenge ase assembly ya Kisii.
On the question of the revocation of appointment of Mr. Chemisi Omariba Nyaoga as the clerk of Kisii County Assembly, the yes 55, the no 13, and the spoiled 2, total 70. Of course, the yes have it. But however, honorable members, Section 23, subsection 8 of the County Assembly Act number 24 of 2017 states that if the Assembly approves the motion filed under the section, the clerk against whom the motion was filed shall be deemed to have been removed from office from the date the motion was approved. Means now has been removed from the office from today.
Vice Chair, yes, Service Board ya Kisii Muske James Ondari na rentete notice motioning barusi omo clerk o Kisii okoro James Omariba Nyaoga akaru chisababu chinyinge chioko morusi lakini sato chiringa gross misconduct eogo saliri chiko na yande rero no twaikire gaiga barentere mangana iyo lakini rendo muna chikora cyakwa banyarire ko morusi office twaikire bono tutige go nyakorusanye birogo tokore gas bono base bono ase county assembly by majority of vote go Muske Nyaoga ayakoro muna bone vote yaru tariko wera office lakini ndi na maitenga na bwate ata jurisdictions ararigie fairness.
We are tired with these impeachments. Bono, it is high time to kolega asitwaro remember bwate superpowers chukunyara go impeach abantu abiga any day anytime they want. Now, who's supposed to be impeached by the county assembly? Ama elieta tu impeachment ingoligo kuna.
I think my own assessment and then in the subject to correction because najeti mayetivu yego konya kuegera nitole lakini impeachment igeta keire ko kuna senior positions of a government. Bono in this case a county government abante gwente go deal na barabu mono a speaker of the assembly a governor deputy governor abantu bali bago command the leadership of the management of a county or a government for this case. No, you know, very impeached by virtue of narrowing and about one can never say allegation you have very nice gross misconduct. Now, gross misconduct, number one to subdivide into Pengare, Vike, Egeroman, understand under gross misconduct, Inkivari, Gredity. Primary Arengo. Abuse of office ya leko tumia ikaroki aibo ko korera bantu bandu bobe chivesa leko ewa oli ya chia takero korendo chivesa office ye clerk of the assembly chia tubuke bobe na bantali geto in the county because the clerk na ikere in charge of abanta bantu bali bagoli kwa office ya county assembly inkie kialenge ko warrant for him to be impeached. But what I think about MCA now about have rights in what they are doing because they go through the county management county assembly act in error governing akibaga kore bintu byaba say assembly na ibago taja na ndenga ibatali gotaja and then the county government act na ere ko baga idinga mchira tokola ase government county government yaito ebi bengera toko tumia sokora county government na ko baga jibe sine ko kora matumisi yetu na ko korera bananje gazi nevi. So I think to me nyaoga very impeached, yes. And do my thing and abantu bandu bakuwe bakere very critical ngelinga ekaro to kwana yore impeachment ekaro monta very impeached omonto very impeached tigango tebi muralingo omonto very impeached ekina kiekebe oborogino buya na bogo ite para boko ende kanisa bogo chokolie nyama na bogo tokorage hotel lakini omonto very impeached no ino boturete to koegu ekenyoro no ino bakomiti kwetundu bali to koegwa ekenyoro because umuntu are very impeached you can never hold any public office again and they owns my double to live in a public office.
So like Ferdinand Waititu
he can never
Mike Sonko
no bomu yabuna kwa beire no twara jibesena kwa twara as long as he reta impeachment ya so nga kwa beta impeached you can never be anything ikobono bwo bwa crashed down to the bottom kwa ere irabu. So bona bantu batagerikuri naki umusacho oyo osomongino toko impeach sincerely what is his future na bana baye nabantu bamwabo awi might they are going to crash over mabua completely to hell ta bodere na ndons gara akorero munde campaign anako mwaka na Stephen Nkenkenke amenyero mabua lakini asitaye ujo toko office kene ngejara akore ta gokora ke no ene public address ta go be kalinga neri konda bwata sabanda kwane abantu bako mukorole lingo moibyo anyoro ko munyoko bosaigo because by virtue of elieta likoroku impeachment it is a serious issue abantu mbara understand buya boli no ena ba MCA abande tinikora osimbara understand buya what it means to be impeached because yekine gentoke ku crash over mabomonto to hell completely. So I think abantu baitu bali ba very impeached na kwa bakwana baba Waititu babo Sonko baba Mwangasa bunarusi tuona nye court caution ya court order kero ko resident back to office bakigine kyari lakini ndio ndio batanga ko monte kina kyari bake senate yana chire asokire. I think ubugima bw'umuntu ibwayirije hakuna mahali atapatikana tena gaste yara nakigaro maite Sonko tali ngaro muriri baba Waitu tali ngabarababe angabayiru chigasi lakini gaste yara ayu ekoro ku public igara ayu ro ba contract na anda tamanyi riko senera koreki oire ekegera bese che serikali public finance public money cannot be used by somebody who is impeached. It is not possible, it can't work like that. So igana abantu bawenda ku understand ndo wikere decision yo kwanda ku impeach umuntu abantu mategere understanding umuntu oyo the violations the kind of mistakes akolire nko warrant chire to mo impeach or we can just report him to our evidence to end in court abe agambigwe akane efine gosai wege sibogete egenda mangana yakorte aire after all ndio ntakiri kumanya nane komenya tora sense we are here to live nyasa ataracha ingi tutari kubwatera tosemanie tosirane twanchane tokonyane ase omuntu agosire morokere riga matebi na riba gatora gwite bosa gose tora akorte kende ayaimoka kurwa agenda guchiari tutigere tobeko omuntu ondone egero bugima bwane ere mbo crash
but again nkoboriga
ande tiga bantu bategerere moralinga jetinda atete ya montonde I am only trying to be fair on all aspects.
That is why I wanted to ask. We've been saying we want accountability. Onyo montoiga ocholi robe kirwase kirogo kiabisi enchira gutumia chive sambobe benyana tumia ofisi yake ni vibaya is intimidating people labda there is corruption kuna chembe was impeached that you were good. You can't be impeached because you are saying.
Obviously there must be something wrong.
If we can't do that to them, they never thought of us when they were corrupt. They never thought when they abused their office. Why should we sympathize with them that it is going to ruin their life?
Under humanitarian ground, and I think utu. Yani ekebo mwanya bantu. Enjera nero go feelinga umaite na nya saba tebanga gokole mengoro yo mubiso karare manke turamenya ngo sidayo gotanga na indi karare manke.
Yes.
So what we are saying is na umuntu na baratoke ngakorera ligoso. But in reality magosa haya na magosa ara agambu na magosa ara bikwe court churches baligereri lawyers baje ba preside over that case both for and against elinde case ikegambu kere because karugo muna do atavire impeachment ga kitalinga tokorera umuntu amabera akine gente ke bali bataye feel tigabantu baye minto baye feel ikine gente ke ma inga buna bono onyoro moro giseino mumurusi cyanga mumureta sabantu uroje gente ke abantu ngesire kurasa mu goba abantu you can imagine lakini mumurusi cyanga mumureta sabantu motenga ligere nyagete omete nero yo nalo gotorera ligere nako tutumbebe sie
nero gereza abana boyo ndabakweta bonse
abana baye bakucandike myaka yonse abantu mayibuli baye bamura bamwe abose bamwe ikinyole kigima ecomin kiro muntu agotigariga bakakuliro ba amayide ngantwaro nyagete kale bosa alengomo the same thing in impeachment bantu mba kweba family de kweba ero mayena ta kweba bana baye mba kweba because hakuna mahali atapatikana katika serikali yake
pesa liba ataenda majuu atafute nini aishi
so rende anyway it's important lakini naye kwa bekirwa office ekwa irwe kero okokorera be fair tigakobo muntu obwate akige ndogiriko mansa mubalo etageteke bakega finally ekarora bakekere imugete nyama monu ero ego tare taraja igoro ekarore nyama mansa muendere roje ebwate nyama nande begete monu ekaratige yaye bwate ande gachikorigi eri ekakwa so tigato tige gutwara tama because ibintu bikogere mejande yakoba ni tama okugani okobe nandi none bibiringo teberengo kugani okobe na gwokogera ebibe binge byagora byatoka sabantu bakorense so we need to be a kwa iro position a governor deputy governor a speaker of the assembly a clerk MCAs abantu bali bali public officers and state officers but akiri ku understanding aki you are there asinga nje okoro mwananchi gasi emeremeri kwa irwe digereri what are your duties and responsibility discharge those duties and responsibility in the right way elinde gora atoke ngakwarura abo abantu batabenga etuasugete step we kurwagocha because of somebody talinga atuachande kita abana baitu bakarwara bakakuba katika school because of somebody ekina kigenteke
na yeye naona kira kwa kwandregeta utu chinga kichiri tu agasomirwe school there is this what I used to say that mtu ni utu si kitu hata mtukutu si kiatu ono oyo maite gosuyo koigo igore and we shall have this conversation again toshitoriye wakili achegaiga eritonyare komanyanga this impeachment who's supposed to be impeached under what grounds is this person supposed to be impeached
and they want to understand the consequences
grounds when we have these grounds what is the procedure taken to what level are they supposed to impeach this person we've seen MCAs impeach Korose County we've seen senators come in. Now, are they supposed to come in for the clerk too? And what are the consequences of when we are talking about impeachment? But as we stand speaking, so far, Nani survived the CEC Ndemo administration. Ilikuwa impeached by the county assembly. Akagenda sekigambero gekaira ni kamwira ni abisi and is there bouncing freely in the office. So I don't know kama nyaoga kogendare ase kigambero to go and try to defend himself from the same. Kawira Mwangaza nacheta ase kigambero after being impeached by the county assembly and the senate. Nacheta kaba kigambero kikamuirani, she's in the county, she's okay, she's working, the court ilimrudisha. Nyali survived impeachment to amoro litora bantu au Monda was impeached boniga ko chini ya maji amenyamaza to kigambero kia muiraneti. But here it seems like county liharakisha and everything. So impeachment, it is a topic of conversation that we're going to have. But thank you so much aso kunyaragocha na Mike Nyankanda agontebi Mike agontebi kunyankanda. He's liking the conversation this morning. Asante sana. Ambaro banyari gusangana into kurutwa chagite kominebire chamambia. Tiga nenumpa kiringambia mona so kunyara kuyancho morobire bwenyu na kunyara kuyobwate director Mtonga Kenya. Asante sana so kwene kibino moligere lyoberega kunyara konyora chibicha na mariugia so boikerano. Nongo kolraga bulit kulia lero so morobire bwenyu ni engana yao yo mwere Mr. Nelson.
Biamulo sana njenda tebye muske James Nyaoga nga kara tuale sufficient grounds chira mo tebi nga whatever the process whatever there is a process and a procedure of impeaching somebody ko chakra and the identification of a need ya problem ya kolide ko chakole isi bill ko kolega in the committee stage ko accept ka namba was anaisa ine ko yareta in the assembly ko ya discuss ko leta aje wetetea then from there effort nere go deciding go sena nere serious hostility, and then from there ave declared by the speaker of impeached. So Nyaoga kara arolenga whatever the process and the procedures you have to forward is bibe tibu ya go say there was a contravention of any law na buate freedom yoko ende court nere Moraine state kolengana na facts chiriara are present lakini ane nalo ukora ngotenga bantu ba mintu mwensi asimule asikwa ile mirimo kole mirimo yao no buya akira nyasambi yamuna singa njako iri bagakwanyolere mirimo yo kole mirimo yao bakari tuko ruoro abantu baba banga tiganya gitairane atokorere gendoki atokorere mirimo. That is the best way to go. Tiganya sabase.
Asante sana haso kunyara gusangana inche ankio nkande kurende bado nondega iga somorobire bwa yato ikire ndo chikunyara gusanga ndo twarayiga amona yanda banga nene mone igore ya siasa ya Busi John kwambo kana lire Italiana gendra kubati merobire ya KCTV nera mandegere iyo mugusiandi in fact butko bwa yaro mechima buru gochire gocho officially asembeo igoto suka mechima buru ndo chikunyara gotebi gunga kamata jembe na panga uende shamba. Thank you so much nyasayo yu twarari kuligia.
Thank you.